Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Christina, you bust it tape. What do you hear about? Oh, you mean? Oh, and ANC fan them down. Ellie, me see you. Me see you, Ellie. Look at that. Oh, you mean Ellie come in at the thing, man. Ellie, let me tell you, be things going over here TikTok, Ellie. Be things. I'm glad you're forward. Me I tell you from now, though, over here kind of confusing, so don't make it get to you, here. Just be patient. Ellie, be patient over here. Because we in our age group, we not quick like them 18 and 19 and 20-year-old. Yeah. TikTok you can do a whole heap of something over here. When me say whole heap of something them do over here, right? So don't make it intimidate you. You're going to see people are going with different things. Just be patient and don't make it overwhelm you, alright? Alright. Because even me myself, boy, I tell you, there's enough things are going on over here where I know me don't get an angle upon it yet, you know? Yeah, we're making people them come in. Trini love, what go down? As you know, come in, share the live, you know. Share the live. If you know your bathroom clean, share the live. You understand? If you know, say you're not under no man government or no woman government, follow me and share the live. Right? If you know, say right, you know, you're not so in love with anybody that you allow them for ground you out and treat you like a little punk and a beat you out. You understand? If you know, say, you are not in love with anybody, right? Where you start to Lisa hype yourself over them and all these things and what. When I pick for Lisa, Lisa, my sister. You know what I need to get a talk with Lisa. I'm going to draw up, you know. Yeah, man, I'm going to get an interview with Lisa. I'm going to do it on TikTok. And I'm going to do it on TikTok. Watch and see. Me, only can imagine me, hey, me need to do an interview with Lisa. Somebody link Lisa hype and tell her, say, Ragashanti, our big brother, need to talk to her. We need to do an interview. Okay, because our thing are go different. All right? Somebody call her there. Link her and tell her, say, Raga want to talk to you, you know, Lisa. Make it happen. Oh, there's somebody as a co-host. Sometimes them come with them. Sometimes them come with them look something with a co-host, something away. Them want to play a game. Oh, Ellie, them play enough game over here, you know. It's a thing over TikTok. Them have all these games with them play. And them make money. But me know, you know, so them come in and want to play a game. It's a money-making thing and you have to have bother people for do something. I can't bother with them something. I can't bother with them something. I'm a big man. You understand? I'm a big man, right? Right? I'm going to stop wear one brief for a whole year and thing. You understand? I have a rule, you know. I don't want to feel no way, you know. But, you see my underwear them right now, you see, from them wash about 10 to 15, them for change. People, when me young, you know, me used to wear tear-up brief, you know. Me used to wear tear-up brief when me young. Me not lie. When me young and there at Jamaica, me used to wear tear-up brief. Because sometimes you have a brief, you have to make that work. You understand? Me not join that something there again. You have certain things that I have to put up with and whatever. And at this stage of my life, you see, true, me used to sleep on Kaya mattress. My bed have for art, my bed have for, you know, my bed have for proper, you know. Because Kaya mattress me used to sleep on when I look a bit at Jamaica, yeah. You see, true, me used to wear tear-up brief when me young. Underwear have to turn up. You see, true, me used to wear some crepe when my shoes are big bread. If you're too young, you're not going to know what me I talk about. Ask your mother about it and go ask your father about it. Right? If you're under 25, you may not know what me I say. Go ask your mother about it or ask your father about it. When me say, when we're young, and their shoes are with it, and our shoes are beg bread. We shoes are beg bread. Right? All who over 30 and you're Jamaican, you know what me I talk about. If you're over 30 and you are Jamaican, you know what me I talk about. If you're under 30, worse if you're under 25, you might not know what me I talk about. Right? But it's true when me I grew up, my shoes used to beg bread and all them something there, whatever. Right, you know, shoes, when I first see, me not for wearing a Nike this and no this and, me not for wearing a Louis this and whatever, but boot for comfortable. That's all me want, boot for comfortable right now. And that's some thing there. So you have certain things me not too compromise upon them right now. Me not need the best of the best, No, me not need for wear no Louis and then sitting there. Me not really care for them something there still. You understand? That's quite fine with me, but it for comfortable. Yo, most of the time when me go up and play now, people, a bedroom slippers me wear go up and play now, Nice and neat and clean and something, But if you look at my foot right now, enough of the time me a travel, Me look neat and whatever, but it's a bedroom slippers me have on when me a travel, Yeah, man, boy, foot are for comfortable, man. And that's my thing there right now. You not get me, I'll go on some long flight, but me in a Teams and all them something there. No, man, boot are for comfortable. If you come over here and you not follow me, make sure you follow me right now. Just lick the follow button right away and all these things, don't. Follow me. I make we get down to business. So people, 7, I see you, who else there? Alright, before we juggle and thing, you know it go roll call. I want to know which part you there. See, boy, me I tell you, TikTok no easy, the TikTok are boss, Me don't know, boy, TikTok algorithm, See, there are 250 odd people there already. Clooney, me see you, Craigton large up. Alright, now roll call. Tell me where I watch from. Me no want you know Canada. Me want to know which part of Canada. Me say Brooklyn, me say Clarendon, me say Michigan, Bombard, Oakland, California. At Oakland, California, Del Marine live. Oh, them say somewhere else you live. Trelawney, Mobile. Watch it. The chat get busy. Maryland in the building. I owe there Cape Coral, Florida. Some me did want to live up at that place. Them want to check it out, See, they came me bless say Kingston yet. Proper. Pembroke Pines, Florida. Me like there's some Manchester, Old Harbor, New Jersey, St. Mary, Red Hills Road, Kingston 19, Queens, New York, my place. Kingston yet, London, St. Elizabeth, Mobile, Miami, Montreal, Canada. Spurtree Hill, Manchester, cooler man. Hey, you know what? One time I did that one involved with a woman back in the day when I just learned the game, And say I have this beef from Spurtree, he'll take a good food off of me and thing and it give me the impression, say, look at something I gonna run. I never get nothing. Miss Lady, me still have you up. Now finally me having up, when I just learned the game and I go around me, and broke my foot, Right? When I go around me and broke my foot, Miss Lady from Spurtree Hill. Right? Make me drive go all the way go Spurtree Hill and what. It's a good thing I know the road code and I go in a certain area and go ask question like me an idiot. You see, from me read the place, she beat me with the address and whatever. Me just, me don't even too tarry up there, so, my leg go in because I don't want a man come come, chat me in my head and go say this and that and whatever. But Miss Lady, remember you, you know. Don't believe some forget you. Don't believe me forget the red dress when it catch me. Cause the red dress that it sit on pan you, man, I lie. The red dress that it sit on pan, the red dress that Lady in Rain. She General Ragashanti. You see, yeah, me still have you up. Anyway, I could go and see the roll call who and who there. Ian from Kingston. Oh, Kingston. Delores, Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, Dwayne Park. Yeah. Dwayne Park and yeah, me did have two girlfriends from Dwayne Park too, you know. One did come from Sherlock and one did come from one. I don't even know over the other side the name. Yeah, Dwayne Park. But we had Corville County, Corville different from Dwayne Park, no? People don't refer to Corville as Dwayne Park. People say Corville, they're beside Dwayne Park, on the other side of the boulevard from Dwayne Park. Is Corville considered Dwayne Park also? People answer me. Danville say yes. You sure? Elizabeth say yes. Carlene says, oh, I guess, okay. Well, auntie, some people are saying no there. So some people are saying no there. Nah, man, some people see, watch it, a beer Noah come now. A beer Noah forward. Is Corville considered Dwayne Park? I mostly know, no, near or beside, across the boulevard, you know. Nikki say yes, but I mostly know where I get. See, the people are saying no. Yeah, I won't even say that. No, I'm going to consider Corville Dwayne Park. I say it they cross the boulevard from Dwayne Park. Right? Dwayne Park the by itself. Dwayne Park, New Haven. People, well on. But alright, Corville in a Dwayne Park. But Sherlock and Brook Valley in a Dwayne Park, right? That's how it go. Or Sherlock and Brook Valley different from Dwayne Park? Trixie says Sherlock in a Dwayne Park. Correct, right. Yeah. Bombard, 335 people over here already. Antonia, you come off a radio Raga. Yeah, man, over here I do my thing, you know. I'm an immigration lawyer now too, so I'm busy. I do whole heap of work and thing. I help the people them out there and all these things. And I build back my thing over here, so, you know. What? Kind of, I love this, though. I love this, man, because this is fun. You understand? Let me see. Brook Valley in Dwayne Park. Yeah. Sherlock, Sherlock a part of Dwayne Park. Brook Valley a part of Dwayne Park. Alright then. Alright, so anyway. So I could go and see the one I call from, which part you now watch from. Alright, 11 miles, Bull Beer. Right? Big up on yourself. No, immigration, I'm in New York, but immigration law is federal law in the United States. So anywhere you're there in the United States, right, immigration lawyers can work for you, okay? Other laws are, you know, jurisdictionally based on the state level. So if you have anything to do with family law or, you know, criminal law in general, well, some criminal matters are federal based circuit courts, so they are federal. But immigration law is federal law. So any immigration lawyer in the country can work for you from any state where you're there. Right? The same is not true for estate law, you know, or family law or whatever, you know. Those are state dependent. But anyway, so anyway you're there in America, right? You can link me for any immigration law matter. Okay? By the way, if you're over here, follow me. Follow me if you're over here. Follow me. And you're not follow me yet, make sure say you follow me. Alright. Make we I gear. Big up Nessa in the place and thing. I could go and do the roll call. I know which part to now watch them and whatever. Once you me a pen. Texas with it. Right? Diana, Jefferson City in Missouri. Or some people say Missouri. Orlando, Florida, there. Look there. Empress Ija, Milo. East Hartford, Connecticut. My one time stamping ground. Why yo? Big up all UConn fans. Man, Tiga be a send catching. Look how the chat busy. The chat doesn't move fast, so. Yo. Alright. Somebody write Brooklyn, St. Mary. What that mean? Brooklyn, St. Mary. Brooklyn, St. Mary. And what that? Somebody there, Walter, Mobile. Look how the chat busy. West Palm Beach, Florida. No, Milo, me know you, man. Are you alone named Empress Ija, you know? I know see the big number one beside the name. I want me to you. Trinidad Road, Jamaica. Trini love. She lie. Trini move and go, man, but Trinidad Road. You do have one Trinidad sitting on there in a New Kingston, you know. Yeah. Nah, man, Empress I just see the big number one beside the name, you know. Right? Are you alone name that over here, man? I want to tell you, Milo. It's in St. Thomas. There's some named Trinidad in a St. Thomas. You're too lie, man. I want to come on, you did have over there. But me don't want a place in a St. Thomas named Trinidad. Celine said Toronto, Canada, Hibernia, Jamaica. Some place there Jamaica named Hibernia. I wish about that there. Hanover, big up Hanover. From what they end up be things right here, say Hanover, like the Hanover Obia turn up, you know. Because you know, so when it come to Obia, Jamaica, you know, first of all, St. Thomas get the whole part in drama reach them, you know. From long time, people say St. Thomas, Obia, whatever. And there is some historical antecedents that caused that, right? But we're not getting into that right now. But then later on down, then they say Westmoreland, Obia, they turn up. Westmoreland, Obia was like, turn up. And then after a while, Veer, Obia, St. Catherine, Obia, you know, did I run the place a while. And then after a while, out of the blue, I don't know how that this come up, but them say St. Mary Obia, they just sick. Yeah, man, yeah. The whole heap of people that go St. Mary for Obia, you know. Then you know, so one time a woman come in and take one transportation from St. Mary and come back a town. And the woman raw and just smell weird and whatever. You know, so them bathe her in a foul blood and tell her she can't take it off until 2 days time. But at Kingston she come from, you know, so she have to take back the public transportation, you know, with the foul blood with them bathe her. Well, with the foul blood with them bathe her, you know. Them bathe her in the foul blood and Miss Lady goes so boom. Yeah. And jump in a transportation, see him where. Our Craigton talk about leave out Clarendon. Listen to me. Craigton, you can go and say what you want to say. One at the time, the talk was the biggest Wobia worker them come from Veer, Clarendon. And who knows you true me attack when I say, on a post up and say, yes, I true. Just post and say, I true. If one at the time, when you never hear say the biggest Wobia them come from Veer. Veer in a Clarendon. Oh no, she a true me attack. Post and say, look that Craigton, I be here true. Look pan true. True. Like that! I want me to hear Craigton. When I time a Veer run all over here Jamaica, I want me to hear my youth. I want you know about them something there. Right? Remember say we in the streets, you know, we know what go on, you know. I remember one caller who did call me back in the day. The man where did have 2 pet Jankro. And where the Jankro them did name? Who can tell me where the Jankro them did name? The name them start with F. Let me see if some real Ragashanti fans in this right here now. Who can tell me what the two drunker them did name? But somebody put one of the names, see there? No, it's not Fleet. But see, somebody put one of the name already. Who can tell me the name of the two drunker them where the Obia man who used to call Ragashanti, him have two pet drunker. The Obia man from Veer in a Clarendon with two. See them? When remember, Mara, yeah, the boss. You see that name, the Mara 369. You see where she put Flirty and Florence. Those, yo, Mara, you're a real Ragashanti fan. You're a real TamFam. You're a real TamFam, Mara. You see it? Mara! Mara! Hey, no. We need one big gun for the gun salute in it. Mara, you're going good. Mara, you're a real Ragashanti fan. Chevanese, you say you have a mix-up. Come in, man. Just call in and come give me your mix-up. Cause we're ready. I come here for work, right? And you know, now go hear me say, I'm not chicken, me a jerk. Because somehow not going like, you know what, disrespect the jerk chick, the people them who are jerk chicken. And whatever, because I never understand that saying there. Oh, I work, man, I work, and a chicken, me a jerk. When you know how hard it is, them people that work when them a jerk chicken, them work very hard, on the out harder, on the stink and face it. When I need to stop it. And love with people. I work, and a chicken, me a jerk. Like saying I work, them I work too. Anyway, Mara, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Mara, because for you go so boom, I remember Flirty and Florence. A big sitting that, you know. Large up yourself, Mara, man. Respect to you. Mara, treat me. I have to make sure I follow you after this. Chevanese, you don't know TikTok work. You have to poor Chevanese. Chevanese, you look like you just come like me. Nah, man, I know number we use over here, man. You have to just, what them call it? What do call it over here when you know, when them call in pan TikTok with that something there? When you come in as guests. What do call it? Wanna call it over here? Request, yeah. Alright, let me see if I can request Mar. Because Mar Chevanese look like she don't know how that thing at work, you know. So let me see if I can invite Rotted then. How this works, yes or no? So when I type in the name then. Oh, all right. So somebody. All right. So somebody are coming in now. Chevanese, you have to know if you do the respect something for coming in, you know.
Big up yourself, Raga.
What go on, my general?
Yeah, man. Me myself don't know about it too.
What you say, what?
But here what go on now? All the way from Portland and Europe still, you know.
Which part of Portland are they right, you know?
Free school.
Where?
Free school.
Free school?
Yeah, man.
Well, one place named Free School or Tree School?
Free school, man. Right at the bridge.
Well, the place
CC
named
Bakery.
Free FREE School?
Yeah, man. Free school.
One place in a Portland named Free School?
Yeah, man. Right for your internet town.
Oh, me never hear
Right
about
at the
that.
CC
Oh, me
Bakery.
never hear about that place there yet. See people
Yeah, man.
them say yes.
Rest of the cook crew there. After you pass cook crew. After you pass bumble.
No, you know, so me not go telling a lie. Me don't know Portland so good. Me don't know about that side. So every time I go there, me just go one place, go host one event or keep one show and then I come back out.
But yeah, you have to pass. Actually, rest of the pier.
No, me not know nothing what you tell me, Papa. Me just know say over there pretty a frig.
Yeah, but what going on right so that when I say you drive if you're gonna the town, the first bridge.
Oh, Free
You drive
School.
gonna the Portland town.
Oh, okay.
And the bakery on your right hand side.
And the bakery on the right hand side. So we ask
And then
them,
over the other side now they do the mall in the terminal.
yeah. Okay, yeah, same place, right there, so. Yeah.
Boy, you are going big up the damn session, sir.
Cooler, man. All right.
Up to the time.
All right, up to the time, my general. Big up yourself over there in Portland. All right. Okay, cool.
I'm not going for tunnel.
All right, cool. All right, to come in with the mix up them, I know I make you think, if you know, I mix up rap pre-write and now make the people them, you know, say what they want to say and all these things and whatever. Let's go. Hello. Good night. Wagwan.
Yeah, Pinky from Stewart. I have a long time I listen for you up on the radio.
Cool na Pinky
But
from
just a,
Stewart.
but just I tell my friends, say, remember when my pinny them small, I just hurry up and do my work. I turn on my radio Friday. Nah, lock off till Raga done. I don't want nobody call me.
You don't want nobody calling when you listen to your
You
Raga.
mad?
Oh, you mean?
Crazy.
All
Raga,
right.
you was the nicest thing on the radio. Big up yourself.
Give thanks, man. Bless up yourself, all right? It goes some
Yeah,
man,
big
see?
up Whitehall. Big up 12 lane people.
Big up Whitehall and
Yeah.
all 12 lane people and thing. Big up on yourself, Ragashanti, rate on the same way. Seal up.
Yeah.
All right? Let's
I
say
see
our
what just passage and big up.
long
Can't let
time.
them out.
Rrr. Them for no
Yeah,
down.
alright, Raga.
All right, protection, boo boo. Bless up yourself, man. Cool.
But Raga, when name Stewart, you know, we could all relate it to, you know.
You never know because I don't know my papa, so we're liable for we're liable for related. Because I don't know my father, I hear saying they wild. So we could have related for true, don't?
Yeah.
All right.
But my father not get a son to be a girl still, but maybe but some family down the line.
Okay.
Now we're Stewart.
Yes, you never know a problem. You had the one son we never know about.
I was my big brother.
Brah. All right, let's say a word, man. Protection here.
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. Lashanda, man. All right, people. Yo, I want to come in with some mix-up. People, let me go on one quick one. So you know, so when my sister link me and thing and what, me I come to no, me soon the request them I come in. Link me and I say, Raga, me need if you come counsel one of my friend, whatever. And me I tell her, I say, no, you know, so me not really do that counseling something that much and thing and whatever. No, Raga, me I beg you a favor, man, because she under it or whatever. Me I say, no, man, me not really, the counseling something. Whatever, and she said she need the counseling. And me I say, need the counseling. Is it something where she going to hurt herself or hurt somebody? She said, no. So I say, as long as I know something like that, me not too go get involved or nothing or whatever. I say, I want to go down. She said, boy, our man go get picnic. One man get a pick at her friend when she talk about married, you know. So she said the man go breed woman and get picnic. So me I say, oh, so I want me know what she take it to heart and whatever. She said, no, she go on like say it not affect her. So I said, what you mean? Why you say she need counseling? Because she go on like it not affect her. So I said, well, it probably don't affect her. She said, oh, something like that nothing affect her. So I said, it's all relative. Sometimes we look upon people and we see them go through some serious things and we are convinced them supposed to lose their mind. And if them not lose their mind, then them hide something. And I'm explaining to her that, no, the truth is, everybody deal with different things differently. Something traumatic can happen to anybody, happen to a woman or whatever, and she may have the capability to cope with it and get beyond it quickly. It doesn't mean that it never impact her, but she may be able to still function effectively without, without it impairing her conduct and her ability for, to function out there optimally, for her own interest. So I say, another person, you come up to America and hear these people that chat about this woman, I say, the way he looked at me, I felt raped and I felt like he stripped me of my human. Yes, some woman and man look upon them a certain way and them get traumatized. I say, people deal with things differently. So I say, why you think say this thing, about her them way they, like, so what, you just up now, she said, no, they picked me a 3-year-old. So I said, hold on. The picnic where you say him get outside of the marriage, that 3-year-old? She said, yeah. So I said, so what, something happened over the whole 3 years where you convinced that she need therapy or she need counseling? She said, no, nothing that happy. She happy seeing me and and she a function same way like it's no problem. So me I said, then why you convinced that the woman need therapy? Don't, but me still not get it. Me and her did the back and forth, back and forth. You know, say after a while the woman say, the reason why she not do nothing about it is because them have 3 picnic, but one of them a jacket. And she know for a fact which one a jacket. And the one with a jacket a 9-year-old. And she not tell the man. And she said, that is the reason why, because the man go out there go get to our next picnic, she not pressure him out there with anything or whatever. So I say, well, she knows that she give him a jacket. She say, yeah. And the jacket she give him a 9-year-old, she say, yeah. And she say, him is a good father and him a take care of the picnic and whatever, and boom, 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 boom. And him go out there, go get a picnic with some Bunnawoman, and that picnic is 3-year-old, and you are set. She said, she not have a problem with that. Say him go out there go get the picnic because she knows that she give him a jacket and things fine and balanced, and him a take care of him for take care of, so she want to leave. And that's, yeah. I mean, I said, that is the woman you are telling me. He said, no. You say she need to get counseling or whatever. She said, yeah. I said, right, I know you need to leave the woman and her business alone, you know. I said, me would have never go talk to that woman and say nothing to her. That woman is quite all right. She know how she a balance up fear thing and how she a angle her business. You are trying to project your insecurities, your fears, and your concern upon her. And I'm explaining to her, that is not how this thing go. You don't go to the doctor and tell the doctor, say, go treat that person there because them sick. Even if the doctor go over there, the doctor going to have to diagnose that person and to see if them have a problem. And based on what you say right you know, you observe a situation where you say the result should be that she have some sort of psychological adverse impact on her or whatever. But she has never ever demonstrated that she has that, you know, that she's impaired in any way with this issue. She has never communicated that to you. She has never, exhibited any behavior to suggest that she's in some, some sustained traumatic space. Is you a say, no, how she supposed to normal and a function and whatever? Because she angle her business. She know what she a do. Stay out of it, leave the woman business alone, and that's how she there. Right? Sometimes we observe people that go through certain things, like certain things happen to them, certain events happen to them. You observe it, but don't get locked in upon the event what happen without first objectively assessing how it may be impacting or not impacting the person. And if it not impact the person, don't try your best to go make it impact the person. You understand? Yeah, sometimes you have to observe some things and leave people alone, make them angle them business, because them know what them are do. Right? It's not you. It's them. Yeah. And people like that, and them go say this and that to somebody, this and that and whatever, and cause all kind of problem. That time people are manage them thing, People are already manage them thing and them thing balance, But you go pinch and look a friend, or you have a friend where you gonna make no certain thing now. The friend they carry gun this way and that way and that. Wait, not there. That's why sometimes you care how close your friend them is and whatever. Don't tell them your business, man. You understand? If you want to tell somebody your business and whatever, sit down and talk to your front. I'm just saying. Anyway, mix up with saying what I'm going to see what I go on if anybody have anything for saying at night. Yeah, Ragashanti live, see you here, Mr. Washbelly, see you here. I remember if you're over here and you're not following me, make sure you follow me. Follow me right now. Good night. What I go on?
Raga, this is Pauline.
Solian, what you say?
You know, remember me, stop laugh. We meet at Owood.
Eh?
I meet you by Owood when I was over the radio. And I was telling you about my son named Amaniko.
And you tell me, darling, remember say, a decades me do that
Yeah,
for
man,
him.
worry
Yeah,
about that, man.
yeah,
But
yeah.
you know, but you have my back long time, Raga. But me not really have no one from Mixup anyway.
Yeah.
But we just have to say, well, go on if you remember the nice name, Sully, you know.
Oh, no, me not quite remember, you know, me not gonna lie to you, you know.
Remember your nice girl, them name, brother, Sully. That's a special name, you
No,
know.
what you say, remember what?
The nice name, the Sully.
No, but me I tell you, remember, say thousands of people me deal with for decades, you know. So sometimes when you say this to me, say, oh, you remember my name and my name, you not really think say, it rough for me, you know. So you say,
Me
unless,
know that, brother.
yeah.
Me happy to see you back in your little crew again, yeah?
All right,
And you know you
Sully.
always have to laugh and you make me there
Okay.
several years ago,
No,
okay?
okay, here is my solemn pledge to you right now. I will make an
Yes.
exerted effort to ensure that from here on henceforth, I'll always remember your name, Selene. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Okay,
darling.
sir.
Okay. I
All
got you,
right. See
boo.
you later.
I got you. All right, blessings. You're cool, cool,
All
cool.
right,
Okay,
brother.
yeah. All right, so you see, I have my job right there, so now, you know, I have to remember Selene. Yeah, me hear one have to say a little drama out there we are going and think, talk to me. Hello. Yeah. Greetings. The thing not come in yet, don't. Oh, that one don't look like it a come in. When them don't look like them a come in yet, you can't even to. You have to move to our next one right here now, you know. All right, we'll go to our next one, because that one don't look like it a come in.
Good
Greetings.
evening. Okay.
What go on?
I'm alright. First time on your show.
Eh?
First time on your show. Thanks for having me.
First time on the show, big up yourself, man. So what go on? Me hear the little one in the background, all is well?
Yeah, man. Them they run out the room.
Okay, I do them little thing. Probably they on them tablet down.
Yeah.
Eh, so what you say in the evening? Yeah?
May I say, I talk to the man. One man.
Yeah?
Him tell me say him and him friend them live. So no man can come in my yard.
No, you have to talk directly in the phone here. You can keep it, you know.
Uh,
Well, you the on
hear me now?
earpiece or Bluetooth?
No.
Okay, yeah, just talk directly in the phone. So you talk to one man and him tell you say what?
Him and him friend them live. Cause they work at the same place. So them live together and pay rent.
Them live together and pay rent. And him say, when him
Yeah.
say, so
So no
nobody,
woman can come to the yard.
no woman can come at the yard because him and him friend
Yeah.
them live. Okay.
Yes.
All right, go and talk.
So I tell him some want certain things and him start give me money and things.
Yeah, him start
And
send
so
on.
I give him some of the cat now.
Yeah, so you send on pan him and run it pan him because him a go
Yeah.
on good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But for one side, go down
Hold
now.
on, hold on,
Man,
hold on. When you send it, when you give him the run, which part you know they do it? You know, which part you know they do it?
hotel.
Hotel, wanna go hotel. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So couple months now, woman text me phone say she go over me.
Woman text your phone and say she go over you.
Yes.
For what?
She find out say me and the man there and the man tell me say him single.
She find out say you and him there, but him they tell you same single.
Yes.
So you know if you fax a film woman?
Yeah.
How you know a film woman? Cause sometimes
Text
woman
him.
woman want to scare with another woman and them say them something they are not no go so you know. So all you know is a film woman
No
for
mama
real.
text him and then him tell me the truth.
No man, hold on. Yeah, left. So you text him. What you text him say?
It's like him don't know because the girl, him and the girl live.
Oh.
Yes.
So
So
when you text him, what you say? What you say to him? What you text him say?
I asked him if I see him woman text me and him say yeah me for just block her from my phone.
Okay, so him say, yeah, I'm woman I text you for true and you for black her. And
Yes.
what else him say to you?
Me not fi have nothing me not fi say nothing to her, just block her. That's all him say. He never say sorry nor nothing.
Oh, and then what happened after that?
he just make him go and do what he want to do. So me go to a man now. I'm not put an icky on my neck.
You go to a next man and a man that put an icky on your neck.
Yes.
Eh.
We did that talk to him for a long time, but we never did go look for him.
The man that we did talk to, you say you talked to the man a long time, but you never did go.
Yes, long time. For like 3 months him not see me.
Oh, so you did a sort out to the man before the youth, yeah. You the man that did there. Okay. So the man where you and him did there before the youth, you know, when this come out with film woman now, you just go draw for the man and make the man they put icky on your neck.
Yes. So when him see me now, I have a problem and threat him and said, me say, "He go kill me."
Well, so what? Him see the icky?
Yeah, if you see them.
No man, well, no. So no, you can't do me that no. How him see the icky? When him see the icky?
Because I'm going to meet him.
You got
Him icky them on my neck.
and him see the icky them by your neck, and then what him say?
Yes. Him a cuss. I be able to do them a cuss upon and go on the bus.
And then what you say to it, what you say and do in response? Eh?
Tell him, say, where you do it back.
Oh, so you tell him, say, well, because when him do with film, woman and team, make you do back to him.
Yes.
Okay, so you be clear, so you do it for spite him.
Yeah.
So well on.
Him a cuss and I go on the bus.
So well on. So him didn't know, you didn't make him didn't know, say, the whole time when him attack to you, you did still attack to that, you did quietly attack to that man there before him.
Him never know nothing.
Oh, him never know nothing.
No.
Oh.
And because him the way him do me go do it.
So basically, even though you did attack to that man, him never know, so him never have no basis to come at you in any way. So basically,
So me have him as my personal so me, because the guy never see me for 3 months.
oh the other boy they never see
So
you.
when him go cheat now. Yeah.
So well on. So how long you and him did attack? For say you and him dead then? The one where have the woman.
Me and him been talking a man.
No, how long you that say uno dead?
3 months, 3 months.
Oh, so you say for the 3 months where you and him dead, you never do nothing with the other one. You never do nothing with the other one.
Right.
But you did a maintain the little link. The link did there though, because the other one him don't know about him either, right?
We only correspond per phone.
You only correspond on phone. So you just keep it. Him was like the reserve, right? This one, right?
Yes.
Him was like the reserve. Our crisscross said him is like a dick in a glass case. Break when in case of emergency, right? Right?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So what the situation reach now with you and that one, you know? We live with him woman. And did a card and a generally and want to go around you.
Well, him a send him check them, but
Him
I
still
really don't say nothing to him.
him still a send threat out for you and all these things, don't?
Yeah.
And what you say, you're not pay him no mind.
No.
So what your headspace there with him? Like you program him as like a straight up man or whatever, or you just a juggle with him right now and you know, you enjoy yourself and take what you get.
Because him a go send me check and him have seen woman so him it done.
What that go?
Him have him woman so I tell him say it done.
Oh, you tell him say it done.
Yeah.
So from them time there, you and him not do nothing. Talk it truth with God love and shame the devil.
No, him not see me back to do nothing.
From the time when him woman call you and say she a go over you, from them time there, you and him not do nothing.
Oh yeah, me did go back up worse.
Or you go back and think so, you go on and do a little thing after that to see him where down.
Yeah.
And him still send him look food now and then and thing. You know, as a man should. Him still send him you look change and thing, don't he? Okay, so him still a send this or something, and still a do so, but in your mind, you not fool yourself and think say, are you walla man that or anything, correct? Yeah. Okay. All right, and so wait, what you think? What's the end game here? What you think this?
I'm going to continue with that.
So you're done with him then?
Yes.
Okay, all right. You have anybody else where you are pre-write you know, or anybody else a draft for you?
No.
Eh?
No.
Nobody else not draft for you?
No.
Well, you sure you're not quietly talk to bro God?
No, sir.
Eh? Yeah, your Andrew
No,
one is not.
no,
Your Andrew one is not nothing.
no.
No, all right. Me just a check still, you know. All right, big up yourself and stay safe, here.
Yeah.
All right. By the way, where you link from?
St. Catherine side.
St. Catherine side. Leave it right there, so no more specifics. All right, bless up yourself for your safety and protection, all right?
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. Well, it's an interesting situation that and whatever, because she said she that talk to the man that the new man come in a picture and thing and she juggle with him and him tell her say she's single and whatever. And ladies, in this day and age though, if you deal with a man, a big man, right? And the man tell her, say, nah, you can't come anywhere near me yard, you know, because I mean, my brethren them live on the whole of the work I place and no woman can't come there. You there with a man. Remember, you know, you never say, we can't sort out there. Because no one are dead if it was sort out. Him say, you cannot come there. So you can't come there at all. You can't come there if you pick him up. Him can't carry you there if you just drop off something or whatever. If a man tell you, ladies, if not this day and age, a man tell you, say, yeah, be me love you, you know. Are you me say, you know, I'm a single and thing. But you see which part I live right, you know. I live with my brethren, them, you know, and you want to see, you can't too forward there, you know, because no woman can't come there. First of all, man, even if man live amongst him brethren, them, man love for them woman come check them. Yeah, I'm a girl, listen, you know. Yeah, and thing and whatever, you don't know. Wife, this, you understand? Yeah, she, you know. Man, you know, look over there and thing. So you see, the man I go tell you, say, you be January, you know, you're my queen. You can't come on my yard at all, or whatever, because me and my brethren, them live and no woman can't come there. Right the sign of people. Proper red flag. Proper red flag. You know, fast. You're not fast right there. All right, good night, night. You walk one.
Hi, Raga. Good night.
Good night, darling. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah?
All right. So I have to tell you about my mother.
Yeah, your mother talk to me.
So my mother a Christian, right?
Yeah?
Go to church every Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Go fasting. So
Yeah?
anyway, to the story.
Yeah?
Her birthday come up, so I say me I go surprise her.
Mm-hmm.
I buy cake and pull up her house to surprise her, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
And me get a surprise. I catch the lady pan a sort out.
Well, what you mean? You catch your mother?
Raga.
You catch your mother?
Surprise man, go buy cake, so me a surprise my mother
A
for her
surprise?
birthday, Raga. And I
Yeah.
me get the surprise.
Well, I know your mother, but you have to give you the details. So what you do, like, you're going at the house and what?
Yeah, me go in at the house, come I have key for her
You
house.
have key for your house.
Yeah, so when I go in, me see my mother pan outside.
What you mean you see her? When you see her in the middle light?
Yeah,
What? I know why you feel that way, but what position she did in her?
mama and papa.
Mama and Papa, okay. Was it on the bed or the sofa or what? On the
On the
table?
bed, Raga.
On her bed?
Yeah,
And whatever. What? Just a regular little position or I need them did up in the ear or what?
her knee up in her ear, Raga.
Jesus have mercy.
Like
What
a regular thing for sure.
are they? What are they? What you say? Mommy need them did up in the ear them, duh.
Up in the ear like a regular thing she do.
Yeah, and like when you
I gone to church Sunday like nothing happened.
like nothing happen now. And when you say regular your mother fast and pray, duh. Look at that,
Raga, I tell you say to all my vex.
What you vex for?
Raga,
No, you're out there and bright, but what you vex for?
me vex.
What you vex for?
Come have the lady as a good Christian woman.
So
Till
what?
all when I tell me I think for God church.
No, but listen to me. What you say, when I always come. First of all, I understand now some people, when it come to them parents, I get it. Them just, people don't want, them know so them parents are do so, they don't want to hear it, right? Me understand that more than even when the parents them don't want to hear. You have some parents that want to hear when them children do, right? But me get it even more when children, grown adult children, don't want to hear what them mother do. Me get that. But
Yeah.
here when me I go challenge you upon now. Because of the church thing you depend, you know.
Mm-hmm.
At the church thing you depend. So when me I say is, why would I have this thing if I say if somebody attend church or them believe in a God or them a live a righteous life or whatever, them not supposed to have sex. How that come in? Who says so?
But Raga, she not married.
So well I don't know. So
If she
what
did married now, I me see that me no feel no way about it, Raga. But guess what, Raga, now why me really upset the man live with them woman.
oh we got in a one different no. No, hold on. Okay. So a different thing you gone in. Well, I understand I know. So basically, your mother take a next woman, man I take a.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
And all this time you think your mother was angel who can mash ants down.
Me not tell you, man.
And then so when you walk in pan so when you walk in pan her, she did an angular thing wicked. No, me just want to know. She look like baby to the thing and she look like she know what she had do.
She know what she a do, Raga.
Well, let me tell you something, man. You see people in a church, listen to Master Raga tell you, we are old man in a game. You see people in a church, I find that usually them not in the mid ground at all. Them look innocent, the whole of them look innocent. But the people in the church, them either I do the thing, but them don't know nothing about it. Them just kind of almost boring with it and them they take it. Or them really, really good pan it. But you would have never know because them project this kind of discipline from the church. You understand or whatever. So it mash up your head, B, don't.
Yeah, man, me I tell you, Raga, 1 year me man that not talk for because of it.
Jeez, and you know, no problem with she do her thing, but it's just because she take her next woman, man, and whatever, and you go.
Right, and me I say, no, that is so for you, why you gone this, and she say, she have to live her life, she needs somebody too, but me I say, but no life, no, that is so for you, because I can't marry, kind man live with the woman and him pitney them.
No, but I'm not going to ask you something now. What if your mother now, she a governor thing in a way where she knows that man live with him woman and him picnic and thing, but what she want from him is just some pleasure. Would you be able, if your mother reason and you reach a point where she said that to you and say, my daughter, not dead so. I know you keep on and say not dead so for like future or whatever, but I know that. I don't know that already. I know when I get out of it, that's why I'm involved with him. In fact, I don't mind that because right now I don't even want a relationship from the man, but I just want to look a service thing. What if your mother said that to you?
But still that you tired with the church something.
You still with a guitar with the church something because you say she didn't motivate you and inspire you for all going to the church and all them something there, whatever. And when you see that and thing, it rough you up, though.
Yeah, because I just feel like when you're going to church,
Yeah.
you know, for do no wrong, nothing wrong in the book.
Right. And that is wrong. You can't in the church and I take a next woman, man will live with. Him married to the woman who him live with her, or him just there with her?
No, them not married.
Well, him in the church too?
No.
Or him in a church and thing or whatever. So what? All right. Your best assessment. Why you think your mother did this? So?
For your pleasure?
Just for the pleasure?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, okay, clearly nobody know your mother. How old your mother is?
54.
54. Listen to me. There's a voluminous amount of literature coming out and thing and whatever where before it was conventional wisdom that as women decrease in estrogen, their libido decrease, them sex drive go down. I don't know is what going on out there. My suspicion is it's primarily psychological, right? Women are more liberated now. But what they're finding out is that women in their 50s, their libido, their sexual desires are peaking in their 50s. Translated, that means women in their 50s are at their horniest. Right? Me don't know what going out there and thing or whatever. I don't know what the reasons for it, but they're finding that out. That are in the 50s right you know that the woman them body are call them one look a chargement and look a fix up and look a blessings and all these things and whatever. So if women in them 50s, you have to understand this now, you know. I'm not gonna say this to you. Cause think about the thing now. Women in their 50s. It's not easy for them go get man now, you know, in them 50s, them time there, you know. Right? You have a whole heap of young boy who a draft for woman in them 50s. And you have some woman who increasingly, them a take them young man, you know. But that is another scandal and another thing and another pressure will beat the cougar them. So you find a woman in them 50s now where them libido are peak, them horniness turn up and all them something there. And again, I don't know what's the reason for it. I'm just telling you what's going on out there.
Yeah.
And a lot of women, and this is just the women who express it. So you can imagine, say, a whole heap of other women feel that and don't even talk about it or whatever. So they are in a position now where they have to figure out how to satisfy myself. And then when I'm in a position, you know, them end up with, all right, me have to go do so and so, and I shouldn't have to sit down and think so I can't do nothing and get no satisfaction. I have to be self-actualizing. I have to take care of me. I raise my picking them already. I do so and so already. I go through this in a life already. I deserve so and so. I'm not going to sit down and work this out the thing and be depressed and whatever. And you know what? It is my choice. So if I want to go and do so and so with somebody, I'm going to do so. But you know what? I'm not going to make my picking them know. Because me, I'm look at church and thing, so me no want to go upset them and thing. I'm understand and respect them, so I'm not disrespect them. I will come right back to you now. I'm going to keep it real with you and keep it 100 with you. Right? Let's be real here. Your mother did a governor thing and a balancer thing where she make sure say you never know what you never need to know, don't it?
Yeah.
Are you run go buy big cake and
Me
open up
no.
door and run in? What are they? Are you run go buy big cake and take key go up my door and go in there and thing and whatever this and that? That is all on you, darling. No disrespect. I know your mother do that. Your mother never diss you. She wasn't callous and insensitive to where you got, you know, to you and not expose you to certain things, knowing full well that she knows say, you know, she they tell you about the church thing and whatever and all them something there and whatever. She wasn't like that. And you go run up in it. You never tell her. It was a surprise, so you're not going to tell her. But she did a governor thing. She make sure I do a locks and nobody not come in. And she do, and the man I give her a look a birthday blessings, cause her birthday blessings, I think. So you are come with your cake. That time she get for your cake long time with the icing and beer things, don't it?
Raga, oh, them see them a drink
What?
rum cream, Raga.
Oh,
Like a long time them that they are celebrate.
what you mean? Rum cream and them thing that they don't drink off, though. Oh, you mean? Listen to me. So when you're going there, you see rum cream bottle well empty and all these
Well
things.
empty, Raga. So Raga, me shame.
What you say? Are you ashamed now?
Shame.
Then, you know, she said them drink up them rum cream and warm up themselves and prep. I'm going to say something to you, but I know how you feel over here. Right now, you need to give thanks. When you go in there, that you see. Cause you could have did see something else, you know.
Hours, analyze.
Because no feeling we are, no disrespect to your mother or anything, because it sounds like your mother lived that life, enjoy herself, don't?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So if you give thanks, when you go in there, you never say, Mommy, I get busy some other way and whatever, because that's how you that dead. And that's how your head would have take you and gone or whatever.
Pronounce Raga.
What? And that's how them would have carry gone or ER or whatever. Because when them go say, so weird, why is she in the emergency room? She see her mother sort out. So what's the big deal? No, it's what you see her mother doing, we can't tell you. But it's what you see her mother doing. But, nah. So right now, I want you to give your mother a break here. I want you just... Is this something you talk to her about, or you prefer not to talk to her about?
Yeah, we talk about it.
You talk about
After
it?
the 1 year vexation, we talk about it.
Well, so you really never talk to your mother for 1 year?
1 year straight, I not talk to her.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Because of the trauma, though?
You see, when it just happened, I leave, I put down the cake and I leave. And she call me, I never answer my phone.
And your mother call and you just never answer her
She call
phone?
me and I never answer.
Oh, God. Look where you put that woman in that go through for 1 whole year, you put her through
1
that.
whole year, I not talk to my mother.
So then recently now when you talk to her now, like, who talk to who?
Me reach out to her.
And you reach out to her, and then like, and then she just, what you say she said?
You know, by talking and talking, we talk about it and so.
And she said she just want to live her life and enjoy herself.
Right.
Yeah, I know that's a little bit rough for people to understand, but when people reach that age and them still respect them children and thing, there is that part of them where it's like, no, me have to still live my life and me have to enjoy myself. I'm not going to show it in your face, my children them face and thing and whatever. And then now, the gender thing, many of us, we have no problem accepting our fathers doing like that. We don't find out things about our father, but it's just a little bit more difficult for people when they find out about their mother. And in your particular instance, it's about the church and your understanding of God and how one's supposed to conduct themselves or whatever this and that. So for you, this is just like a really dramatic disappointment for you. So we have to understand your feelings too, because it was a shock. It was a shock for you, and you have feelings too. But what I'm saying now, the challenge for you now is to make an effort, to not let your shock, your justified shock, because you're justified in being shocked because your mother was portraying a particular personality and character to you, and what you saw there was in contrast to her supposedly God-based, church-based behavior and thing like that. So you have a right, your mother has to understand why you were shocked, why it was difficult for you to get over this, and give her that she was the inspiration and the drive for you to consider to adjust your life like her, because she was the example, the continuous, sustained, truthful, honest example that you have to go through this trauma for say like, I don't even feel like I know my mother, right? I'm sure you went through that, right? Like, me think me didn't know my mother, but me didn't know my mother. But at the same time, you have to try and do the difficult thing now, which is to say, I have a right to be shocked. I have a right to be disappointed and thing. But then I can still make an effort to understand why, what she's going through, particularly as a woman, because the double standard on women, right? And thing. And then also with the church, because there's a lot of hypocrisy in the church, right?
Right.
And that she had indeed made an effort not to expose you to that private part of her life, right? So, and nothing what she put on you is just you, unfortunately, in your effort to do something good for her on her birthday, you ended up walking on her already getting something for her birthday. Jesus God. Well, I can just imagine when you see your belly button must drop out. You must be
I say
confused.
Raga.
You're
I'm
confused now.
nervous at me. Oh
Eh?
God, man.
Your head take you down.
Yeah.
Well, depression did take you for a while.
Same time.
Jesus. You just couldn't believe it.
Couldn't believe Raga.
Jesus, peace. And the whole time you think she not do nothing down.
Yeah.
By the time mama do I drink her rum
Come
cream
on,
and I get
Sell.
yeah, if I laugh and pee up myself. Listen to me though, man. I saw it go yeah, but you know, you have to give her a break, you know? Give her a break, here. I'm glad when I talk back again and thing and so forth and you know. Well, you know she still attack to him.
She not live at Jamaica again.
Oh, she not. Oh, that did happen at Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay, and she
She in America now.
she in America with other relative, don't.
Right.
All right. So, but in general, though, just understand that your mother is that type of woman where she's a decent, respectable woman who have her private life where she do her thing, and that is our business. You know.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, it's everybody's responsibility to make themselves happy in life. And sometimes the way we do that, it's not exactly following the script that society says that we should. Right?
Right.
When you hear people say, she makes me happy or him make me happy, nothing no go so. Nobody can make anybody happy. Nobody makes anybody happy. Let me say that again. Nobody make another person happy. People make themselves happy. And so it is that people make their own choices about how they want to live a fulfilling life for themselves. And your mother is doing that. Is it always elegant? No. Is it always easy for a woman in her 50s who wants sexual satisfaction? No. Because society can be mean and unfair to people. And unfortunately, society is in a very unbalanced way, mean and unfair to women when they get older. They have this thing like you hear people say it all the while. She a big woman now, she's not supposed to do them something that she forgot sit down in her yard. That is wrong.
Yeah.
People from where I grew up right here that are Jamaica, she a grown big woman now, she have grand picnic. What she a doing man, what she a do this and that and rare. That is wrong. The people them have them life to live to. And if it's somebody who you love, it may be challenging and difficult, but you have to make some effort to understand their needs too. Particularly when them make them choices and I do them thing privately and thing. And then you must know, so okay, they're keeping it distant, so don't go run up in it with your birthday cake.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for sharing that here. Appreciate it because not only it has its funny elements, obviously we get a good laugh, but I think this particular little mix up here, it's one of those. Can I tell people say from the Jamaica, I tell people say, yo, mix up are the best thing for learn about life from, you know, right?
Yeah,
As opposed to people who just did their talk and I said the right thing on stage or in front of a lectern. When you hear where people have got you and you assess it, you laugh about it and think, and you assess it and you say, wife me in another position, they are me did in another position the one day are me know my mother in another, my mother could have in another, and this is how people learn. So just know that what you shared here today will be of value to somebody out there who I wonder about for them mother too or have some experience this one and say, you know, say boy, I really need to be a little bit more understanding this with mommy and all them things. So we want to say thank you and thing, all right, give thanks here.
Alright, big up.
Yeah man, protection here. Are you up here in America too?
No.
Okay.
I'm in Canada.
You're in Canada. All right then,
Yeah.
blessings here. All right, cool.
Alright.
Well, it's an interesting situation. There's a people. Let me tell you something. It's I could give the women them in them 50s. Let's give them some latitude. You know, I'm not saying that, you know, if anybody, you know, conduct themselves in a manner where, you know, we're not supposed to hold them accountable. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that women in their 50s, it can be, you know, it can be a little bit rough for them in that age group based on the expectations that society have of them, and that some of those expectations can be a little bit unfair and imbalanced. We don't know the double standard. Them man can, all when man are 70, him while say the man them rare. Even when them a condemn the man, them indirectly kind of big them up and thing or whatever. And then when it come to woman now, it's like say, from woman gone in at them 40s, when they start things say woman fi just go sit down and dry up. I not do nothing, I not live them life, I not do so and yeah, and when woman in them 40s and them 50s, them can go enjoy themselves to man and fling up their legs to and this and that and whatever. And if them a keep it from you and you want to expose yourself to it, your business that. And big up the mothers and the children, grown children out there who have that relationship where them not forget graphic and raw and explain everything to their mother, but them can at least have a relationship where them know say them grown mother in them 50s or early 60s or whatever I enjoy themselves, and they can be like, Mummy, your boyfriend that, oh, your boyfriend come to you and whatever, and them can in a indirect way or direct way, they're affirming the humanity and the needs and of their mothers in that situation, and I'm sure those mothers appreciate it when they can have children who understand that they have needs too, that they have a life to live to, and that they want pleasure and enjoyment out of that life too, as they should. All right. All right. Remember now, everybody over here, if you're not following me yet, follow me now. Let me see right? If you're not following Ragashanti yet, follow me right now. Let me see the follow thing, them jump up, because see, there's 600 odd people over here. It did reach must 800 before, right? So if you're not following me, follow me right now. Follow me right this minute. Let me see if we're not do. Okay, so not do it there. Follow me right this minute now. Make sure say you follow me. All right. Okay. All right. Good. Sooner. All right. See it there. Yeah, we have 100,000 goal, you see it there, man, probably that now go, me take a few months to do it. So follow me right now, yeah, and share the live too. Okay, good. Share the live, and follow me. Oh, I want to sit there come up a while ago. I want to something come up a while ago. All right. Next call, all right, I know. Next request, I know. I could go in at the thing. Yo, my minty done, yo. This way I go. Minty are cool. All right, nobody not come in there, so. You see sitting there? Not sitting there. Yo, big up all who are contribute. Let me say Goddess, Athena, large up, 20 green, big up yourself, Ashiba, Omega, large up, all who do the coin something there and whatever. Yeah. See one art there. I am so and so. Solian, large up. People, so me I learn the TikTok something or whatever. Blessed. I am marvelous. That's how it go. Ivan, yes, Swan Davidson and thing. We had somebody a bus a gun there, right? There's a who bus that gun there. A who bus that gun there. Fun size and all these people and thing. Me soon not forward. Make sure someone follow me. Yeah. All right, blessings and respect, man. Yeah, I'm sure I'm going to I am. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, You see that TikTok something, The kids, them, particularly my son, my daughter too, them into this Roblox, a Roblox thing, them dip on it. Sonia, big up, Canada link, 500 coin. Sonia large up. and thing them in this Robux thing, you know. So little TikTok thing them and whatever. I just buy things to them and whatever. And here I'm saying, so daddy work and pan social media and get this and things. So I go buy Robux here. Saturday is my second son birthday and whatever. This Saturday my second son a KJ birthday and whatever. So it's a theme day that, right? Him brother come up from Florida, Zion, and him sister there with him obviously. So it's all about KJ birthday this Saturday, I can have some surprise for the boy and thing, I carry him him into this games thing and whatever, really. So I'm carrying him over to Manhattan and make him enjoy himself for one game shop with him brother and him sister them and all these things. So I'm looking forward to that. So when time I'm gonna contribute them something there, I just send it on them for my youth them and make them enjoy them. Big up on yourself, people, life. Well, if a problem out in the world, but remember, happiness is a state of mind, So, all right, so make sure so not enjoy your life out there, because Raga still live by the motto, laugh, learn, and grow. Laugh, learn, and grow. That's the thing that I could see if we can bring in somebody else or no. Hello.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
How are you?
I am really, really good. I'm not just say so. I am just really, really good. I'm happy. Things are going good for me. Me I work, me I make money, me I take care of my responsibility. I'm happy. Me I go on good, Honestly.
Lovely. I have a piece of Mixup for you.
Send on.
They don't know, say. They are foreign last year.
You have to talk look louder here.
They are foreign last year.
Yeah, they are foreign last year. Yeah.
Yeah, left my baby father at Jamaica.
Left your baby father at Jamaica.
She got a baby at foreign.
Eh?
Yeah, no, so we are foreign.
Well, you left your baby father at Jamaica for go do what foreign?
For go give birth.
Oh, for come up. Oh, okay, all right. All right.
So, when me over there, one night I call him and ask him. He said, how the room's so dark? He said, I'm there.
Oh, come on, on video call.
Yeah.
And you ask him
fast
how the
forward,
room so dark.
Yeah, and him saying, I'm there.
Mm-hmm.
Fast forward now, I come home now.
Yeah.
So I come home now, I realize, say, boy, not pay me no mind, and my move shaky.
He might move X, don't
Yeah, like, somebody's in that picture.
Yeah.
I said to him, say, you do something, But I can't put my hand on it.
Yeah.
So I know, say, one night, he got a funeral and come back.
Mm-hmm.
And he give me phone to send something to somebody.
Him give your phone to send something to somebody.
Yes. So I know, say, one woman call. So my hand go off and press it. Answer it.
Wait,
So,
you want woman call and what you say?
my hand go off and press it off.
Your hand go off and go answer it.
Yes.
Well, on, your hand accidentally answer the call, don't
Yeah.
Well, all right. Well, we're going to work with that. Yeah, we're going to work with that. So, yeah, you have the phone and your hand accidentally go answer the call with this woman who call. All right? Go on, talk.
So when me answer,
Mm-hmm.
she hang up.
The woman hang up. The woman hang up.
Yeah. She hold the phone
Oh,
for her face and
idiot.
hang
She
up.
don't even know the road code. Go on, talk.
So I go to Babs and give her phone and say, hey, woman, call me answer.
Yeah.
And he start to up and go and so the woman sit and find me on TikTok and I text me.
No, talk up louder. You said the woman what?
The woman's sister
Yeah.
find me on TikTok and I text me.
The woman sister
I
find
say,
you on TikTok and I text you?
yeah, because him said, girl, I'm friend. And she I'm sister. So me I say, oh, your friend and your sister text me.
Well, no. No, do that. Not do with that. Not do with that. Where the friend sister text you say?
Because it's like me post me and him on TikTok.
Oh, you post your name
And
on TikTok, yeah?
yeah, and one of them say, why? And somebody else text and say, Who is this? What the woman post up to do with you? And the sister. Say, they have something to do with all of we. So
No,
me I said, no, sir.
no. You just sound cryptic, you know. You not give enough details. You post you and him on TikTok, and
Yeah, you know.
yeah, and what happened when you post you and him on TikTok? What the woman sister do?
One of them texts and I get the post.
Comment, not
And I
text.
say,
Comment, right?
comment
Yeah.
and say, how are this?
What this? One of them comment and say, what this?
Yeah,
And then what happened
how
after?
are this? Film family in return text and say, how this? What the woman post have to do with you? Who are
Oh,
you?
right. And then what the person said to Fame
The
family?
sister return and say, this have something to do with all of we.
Oh, the woman sister said, so so you post you and your baby father on TikTok. Somebody come at night
Yeah.
and go say, what is? And then no, your baby father relative said, what is have to do with you, Miss Lady? What you mean, what is? What? And then no, the person respond and say, yo, this have to do the whole of it. Hold on. And then what happened now?
So remember say him say she ain't friend, you know. So me I say, so if you're your friend, why your sister would have text that?
Yeah.
So you know say me big and bad and bold because I don't care.
Yeah.
I take out her number out her phone.
You take out the woman number out of her phone.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
I'm want to get to the bottom of it.
Yes.
So you know say when I text her in the morning, I had jog her tail because I know how to do that, you know.
No man, what you text
I
her
text
say? You have
her.
to tell her what you text her say. What you text her say?
So yeah, this are the woman where I call her man. I video call every day.
Oh,
I'm
you
like,
text her and say, yo, this are the woman. The man where you have video call every day, this time woman. Hello, what go on?
that's
Yeah.
what the woman say. The woman say, me nah stop taking man.
Jesus.
Me take the man for you gone foreign. I don't come back, me still a take the man.
What on the man? What on? When you move to her and say, yo, I might be baby father, you have video
No, me
every.
say to her say. Me say to her say first say. You not have to text me on TikTok. To me number ya. So you know say you have to.
Oh, so you basically I said, no, if you make no comment on TikTok, see my number, you come to me straight, right? You know, boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Ray. Right, and me are the baby
Raga.
mother for the man where you take. And when you say Miss Lady respond and say, oh, me I take the man a long time and me not stop taking him. And when you did that fine, go have your baby and me I take him and me still I take him. And that she said to you?
Yeah.
Oh God, talking
Then
truth with
now
God
she
love. That
start
didn't mash
telling
up
me
head.
everything.
And she start telling you everything.
Yeah, Raga, she can't mash up my head. Come on, step ahead. Then.
You one step ahead
You will
of
go
them.
on now.
Yeah.
When she say, when my call and ask why the room so dark,
Why them
him
what?
say him gone in bed. At the same, so him call me when I come back from Friday and day in my yard and ask me why my room so dark. I'm tell him the same thing back. Because me have a
Well,
man in my bed too.
Voila, the man! So when you the call him from foreign and I ask him why the room so dark and him a say him gone in bed and thing or whatever, after the woman
Yeah, the
sister
girl
moved to
confirmed that she be there with him.
yeah and weird she did tell us at the night when you call and I ask him why the room the dark she
Yes.
did a liar tell upon the girl a liar she never said that.
And
Yes,
that she say.
she's what she said the night when you call and I ask why the room so dark she did in the door.
Yeah, she said the night when I call and ask why the room so dark, and him tell her say, has him gone in bed. She did lay down side and
Lead on side. Mine sharper do all something else too when time that did I go on.
but
Jesus.
anyways,
So what I know man,
when she
so
drop that part, let me not feel no way.
you never feel no way?
Now me and say me one step ahead of you, cause guess what? Anything I do, me I do it better.
Anything him a do, you a do
So
it better.
yeah, for me why him call me and ask me if me gonna my bed, my legs wide open, and me have one man down there doing the right thing.
Voila, Voila, Lord, man. You say, when him go call you now and I ask you why your place so dark
You
and
say, Raga,
whatever,
me not
you
come
at
for a
that
friend
time,
because I got a friend all long.
you say what? Other one I go about
All
what?
long.
What?
Me not come for a friend, I'm gonna friend all long.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know me not get no holy for fuck why I'm a friend?
No, you can't say the F word, yeah?
Oh, sorry.
Don't say the F
Me
word.
not get no holy for salt out.
Sort out, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So you know, so I come back.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still have feelings to me ex, you know. I
We are
call him
call
a
your
pussy
ex. We are
baby.
call your ex now.
What you mean? Man not pay me no mind.
Okay, so when you come back and your
Between
baby
you and
father
your
not
blood.
paying no mind, you did what you do, you draw for your
Yeah.
ex.
Yeah, man, I'm draw from my ex, man. Nobody knew.
And nobody
Come here tell you
never.
when the ex assault you out, you know, man, him assault you out crap, I know.
Yeah, I saw them ex they stay in anytime them get a bus back, you know, then go hard. no, it's a thing with ex in a man and woman, you know. You see when them left somebody and that person they go there with somebody else and them get a run again, and them say push it to put it on your proper, you know, man. So you say the ex a deal with you billions, no?
What?
So wait, so
Man,
when
I deal with it wicked.
yes, so when him call you and thing, you say your legs them wide open and your but fix it up, you know, remember you have to keep it certain. So it sounds to me like you say like, you know, your ex at that point, you know, your ex him did a face up to the matter. I saw it go?
Yeah.
Okay, so him did I get a
But
face.
before that, we had to look a salt out
I'm
though,
not
I
doing a
think. You
look sort
understand?
up, but at the time when you call your ex did their juju spa, I get a
Yeah,
facial.
man.
I get a
Yeah,
facial,
man.
no. Wet up that face, no.
Yeah, man.
Well, I know. So when him call right now, your ex face wet up down.
Yeah, but you can't see my face because the TV on.
Cause the
And you know, sometimes we have video call, the phone light, make your face a show.
yeah, yeah,
And I tell you,
yeah.
conversation that end up because what did I go on down there? They too intense.
The too intense. Cause your ex know for it sound like your ex know for doing thing, you know.
What?
But don't.
You see, all the Friday when she tell me that,
Yeah,
it was a Friday man she tell me, you know.
yeah.
It's when I left work.
Mm.
It's that sincere, you know.
This a since here, yeah.
What? Raga, I go home to bed.
Well, the Friday morning when she roll out fire them way and whatever this and that, you say when you left work, man, you left work with a kind of vengeance in your heart, you go home, go bed, and then what?
What you mean you see out a 3 mile? Out a first choice?
Oh,
Oh God, man, at my place.
out of
I'm
three,
at my ex place.
well, first choice, 3 man.
The guest house, man?
No, the one up, you thought the one up, I wouldn't used to call the one, the Gretna Green, another one there
No,
up.
not that one day.
Oh,
First choice is more classy.
first choice is more classy. Oh, me
Mm-hmm.
not know that one they don't, and when you say out of 3 mile, it there, don't that, you know,
Yeah,
one place down there near first choice.
yeah,
And it more classy than the one at Gretna Green up on Waltham and Agley Parkway, right?
yeah.
Okay, so you say I don't. So you beard and you link with the ex down at first choice.
Yeah, man, I mean, I tell you, man.
Mm-mm.
Raga, some looking at the mirror, some while.
So you're looking at the mirror,
I'm
so
not
you
phone
whine
stand and
down.
some laugh.
Eh?
What?
You, you go on with yourself down.
And me if you tell you, I never know I could have wine till I like play a Friday night.
Dash out the whole light and thing down. For those of you who want to know, when you use the desktop, the TikTok Studio desktop, there is a thing in there where you put the thing for say, hold that, right? You know, because TikTok require that, right? But you don't see it. If I'm doing the live on the phone, you'll see it. But when you do the live from the software, you don't see it. But just so you know, it's there, right? Because TikTok require if you do that. And you don't do that, you get in trouble, right? So just, for those of you who tell me, say, put it up front. But even though it's there, I still don't want to, when anybody call in, want to use any raw thing, right? Now don't use code. We don't know Ragashanti thing said for a long time, right? Which is different from a show when we used to do named Outer Order, which was For those that want to know outside, you know, say that you just come real and raw and just talk your mind, right? But for this, keep it clean. We can talk about the racy, edgy things them, but just use code, right? So don't use the F word or say sort out, you know, say swipe, say headers, right? Don't use any graphic language. Okay. So you said when you and the ex lock down a first choice and whatever, you just dash out
Even
the
before, me find out about all of this,
yeah.
I'm come from foreign where I beat it wicked.
No, but me have to ask you something, do I mean, want you vex and come contact me and beat me. You never say you go foreign for your baby.
Me left the baby a foreign.
You what?
I left the baby a foreign. My stress. I go through my stress, depression, and everything.
No, hold on. What you say you do? What?
I had to leave the baby
You left the baby a foreign for what?
because she was still in the hospital. I'm have to come out.
Because what?
I had to leave her.
Or the baby is
Because,
sick or something?
yeah, she's sick.
Oh, so
That's why I say, you know all of that, but he still out there at home. And when I come back thinking that would I get the support there from him, me never get it.
oh yeah, him should and
When
a
me
film youth
and
and
after
thing.
the
Yeah.
baby, like me alright.
Eh?
He was a shoulder to cry, and
When what?
when my ex called me and asked if I'm alright,
Yeah.
he was a shoulder to cry, and
Oh, so your ex did there and just, when you cry and you go through your emotional thing and whatever, your ex did there for you, don't?
the baby alright.
So them time when you go back to Jamaica, the baby still there foreign?
Yeah, she have to stay over there.
So how quick after you have the baby you come back to Jamaica?
2 months after.
2 months after.
But all of this take place in a January.
But all of this did what?
We come back last year, October.
Or you come back last year, October,
Mm-hmm.
and then all of them drama you go down in a January.
Yeah.
Also, after you come back, it take a while for you realize what go on, say, I move mucky,
I'm find out about it in a March.
till you find out about it in a March.
Yeah.
Everything come out in a March.
Yeah.
And I guess now, from March now, you draft for the ex, so you and the ex shell out the ending of March, go right down to April, come down to May,
Yeah.
So, what's the status with him now, with the baby father?
Oh, I watch me like Ark.
Eh?
Right now, I watch me like Ark.
Him depend your case, I watch you now.
Yeah, I'm not there Jamaica. I don't fly up back.
You fly up back. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going on different country.
You what?
I'm going to Canada.
Yeah, I can. Okay. So you have a baby with you now, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And
My
wait,
sister carry across.
your sister what?
My sister carry come with me.
Oh, your sister carry her come give you from US and carry her come over Canada come give, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And when you say I watch him on social media.
Me and him on my social media.
So how him I watch you?
Brother, you before I come here, sir, I tell him, man, it's like me can't go now. Because just like how him that give me the cold shoulder,
Yeah.
he start giving me back now.
You start giving back the cold shoulder and him can't manage
Yeah.
it. And him can't manage it.
Can't manage my man.
So even before you fly out and come back, so him a pressure you and a watch you and
Yeah.
Wow.
And I like next name. I mean, I say, when you're not the thing, I never have a problem with it.
When I say him a call what?
I call up my ex name.
Him a call up your ex name because him know say your ex a fix you up, don't?
No man, him afraid I man. Because him know say the salt out there, so right. Remember when this man meet me now? I mean teaching,
When
Because I learned from the
when
ex.
when well, you said when your baby father did meet you, are you teaching the some of them, don't?
Yeah,
What you learn from your ex?
yeah man. So him know all of that.
So we all know
So him
that
know say
obviously
problem
not
right
have
there.
conversation and you share that with him, right?
Yeah man, I mean share that with him man.
You share that in him, say boy, you did have one ex, the boy. So because I don't know, him know say you have a little weakness, this and a connection, this and thing, don't?
Yes, him know say I still have.
So you still have feelings for your ex?
What I up to know? Every day we talk same.
No, but tell me something though. If you and him did in a relationship and you say him know say all the time when you in a relationship, so you still have feelings for your ex. You know things that did that make him insecure in the relationship?
No, many things. I come and I really mention the ex like that or talk about it.
You know talk about the ex like that or whatever. But you
No,
say him know
me
say
know.
him know,
Raga,
yeah.
listen this now. I'm tell you the truth. You might meet me and tell me say you want a family. Meaning that you want a family.
Yeah.
It's a family I give you. But when I realize say you no longer want a family. You want a while out because them say show me a friend I'll tell you this man a par with be a young boy. So we expect him now go and do what them a do too. Have 2 and 3 and 4 women. Kind of night him come in and tell me who have 2 women. So me I say, but if them have 2 women, you not gonna have 2 women too.
Yeah, big mistake that he make, you know. I'm not know the road code this. Listen, all men, listen, me a old man in a game, you know, so you know me know. Listen to me. If you don't have a good partner, nobody do nothing for jeopardize it. Don't do nothing for jeopardize it. However, if you don't feel so now for go do something, don't you ever, particularly men to women, but women to men, most women don't even do this. Most women not do this, what I'm going to tell you about. A man always do it to woman. Don't you ever dare I tell your woman but oh, all of your friend them wild. All of your friend them wild. But you don't stay so. Most women don't fall for that, even if them don't say nothing to you. Most women wise up to that. So when you dead you know, I try in a year mind you use psychology to make yourself look good. Cause you say, yeah, you know, say Jew I'm a dog, you know, but you know a film style that you know a 5 girl, him have you know a 3 woman, him have you know whatever, you know. I mean always I tell him say just build no man, easy man, and just since you're there with Angie, you just go and juggle with Angie, but you don't know him there with Carla too, you know, nobody tell him so I tell you that, you know. But you don't know Carla from down somewhere. And then on the day they know I throw on a bridge in them under the bus with no woman them now. And you think say you're a woman a fool. She not say nothing to you, you know. But basically she gonna notice say, oh, like what this caller you say now. Your pa would be a young boy and all these things. And all of your friends them have only a woman except you.
Exactly.
So you don't really play a long time with him, don't?
Yeah, man, pick it up a long time, man.
Long time you read what go on and know what go on. John know.
But let me say, I just life. I'm in a feel no way. Cause it's not like him that do not know what me never do. It's just that one step ahead of him. I don't know about my deeds.
And
I
him
go
don't
find
know
out what for him.
you one step ahead of him and him
Yes,
don't
cause
know
him
about
friend,
your deeds, but you
him
find out
friend
about it.
talk.
Yeah. Cause him
Him
friend
friend
what?
love chat. Remember say you say friend friend, you know.
Remember him friend what?
Him love chat.
Him
She
friend.
said, yeah, he said that she was his friend. But I'm saying, how come your friend not tell me all of this?
Right.
So she love talk.
No, another she love talk, you know. And I would hope you realize what she was doing.
Yeah.
You
That try break
realize
up
that her
something, mash up
goal was to
something.
mash up you and him.
Yes, mash up something.
Okay. I just assume you understood that, correct? Yeah. The reason why she
Well,
reload.
that's what he said.
Eh?
That's exactly what he said.
What you mean? What him say?
Say, you know, she try mash up something.
Precisely.
But guess what? That not happen.
That what?
That not happen because she can't replace me, my love. I may put him on him foot.
Well, you said that now go happen because she can't replace it because of you put him on him foot.
Yeah.
So are you saying that you and him not done? Because she can go on and kick up and go on and whatever. But basically, yes, if you want him back right now, you can get him back right now, don't? Eh? Eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
When I left.
Oh, one on the left. So as far
No,
as you're
sir.
concerned, you're still there. You're still there with your baby father, right?
Yeah, you know, me sweep it under the carpet and
You
move on.
I move on.
But
Okay.
remember, calm there, wait.
But you just want him know say, yo, dog, if you misbehave and move wicked and move mucky, me can move mucky pan your tongue. Know that.
You know, you can't tell them that. You can't give them the idea. You just make them go and feel like them are win same way.
Yeah, and when he ready now,
Because
you put him in
one
a
thing I say,
place.
boy, you make money now, you know.
Oh, that, what?
So me can't afford for the money.
Oh, what you say? He might make money now. He might make good money.
Yeah.
Are you put him on the foot and he might make good money now? So you're not left him and think he might make money now, don't?
No, I'm not letting go.
You're not left him and make sure you go get all that money, don't?
Well, me no know. You should go get all that money.
Eh?
Me can't say.
No, but me I say, but no, you just say he might make money now, so you can't left him now because he might make money. That you just say, correct?
But remember, yes, that's exactly.
And you
Remember,
also
somebody
say you
not
put him
never
on
go
him
on it.
foot. You say you put
Yeah.
him on him foot. So when
Yeah,
him when you and him did
never
when
go
you and
on.
him did that, nothing never did I go on for him.
No, never go on for them.
So are you make him a make money now?
No money, I'm having business, you know.
Yeah.
But never go on for 1 year. I'm sit down with him and him begging to wait.
No, but him beg if you wait, but beg if you wait different from are you make him a make money? Are you make him a make money now?
Yeah, come make him see a film when I'm, you know, like, you can live with somebody.
Yeah.
And you want to put him on them foot. You would have maintained the bills, the food, everything. So you can save him money
Mm-hmm.
to bill himself. Like pumping money back in their business.
Oh, so there was a time when him a build the thing and you did a hold it down and a pay bills and a take care of a bag of things and whatever while him a build the business.
Yeah,
Okay. So I'm based on that you say you make him a make money. No. Because him did able to build the business.
yeah.
Okay. All right then. So give it that you the up here now and him down so down. Him there Jamaica down.
Yeah.
And you say uno no left.
No, sir. Him say him not gonna.
So
And if me left him, he not gonna be she. Anybody else but not she, because she wants to cross the line.
what
Because yesterday she knows he had a baby mother. So, him and her business that's still, yeah.
him say what?
She crossed the line.
She crossed the line.
Yeah, but she tell me all of that. Good I said she put her two on them but again and her foot in the ear. So she go out with herself.
Yeah.
And the boy salt out, him a win.
And what?
Him salt out, him a win.
Who a win?
The man, maybe your father.
Wait,
So the boy salt out and win.
she say film start out a win.
Yeah,
Your baby father who are you teach him how to start out, right?
exactly. So that's why me a laugh.
That's why you laugh and I say, you know, she don't know say you but your baby father and make him know if to do this something them down.
I got more to know.
So your baby father tell you say she crossed the line and whatever, and even if you and him left it, now gonna be with she and all them something there and whatever, and him all like give the impression say him and her not too good, you know, because she
Right now,
crossed.
him and her are good at it. Because there's no evidence to prove that. Because he never confront her. I must say she was him friend at first.
Yeah.
And if you not confront her, but what happened? That means that the communication still go. I'm a fool.
All right, me go take another call, but let me tell you something now. Let me tell you how woman stay here. Listen to your big brother now. You see, when she didn't move to you and say them something there and make her sister do them something there and whatever, wherever, because her sister couldn't know what going on in her until she see where you are going, right? You and me don't know, so she did set for mashing up already. But let me tell you something about woman. A woman never do something like that unless she did already calculate, say she can do it, and she have the man so locked that it won't matter. He may make up nice or go on, but him not going away. Right? Anytime, women different from men like that, you know. You have some women spontaneous and whatever, and they move off the cuff. Yes. But in general, most women are not like that. Women are more calculating than men are. Women plan their steps. Women think about consequences of this choice and that choice and whatever, right? So when she moved to you them way there, and come out with them something there because she want you to know, because she want mash you up. She want get in your head and I tell her them something. Say, man, I left him and thing, and when you're there foreign and me I sort out all the night when you call and whatever, me did in the house with him and thing and whatever. And she that's why she reload everything. Because she want to get in your head and you forget mad and left him and them. So that was our goal. But what I'm saying to you, she would never have done that had she not already calculated that she could do that and still have him up. Because the woman them who don't do that, you will hear them say, when them friends say, yo, see the girl, whatever this and that with the man where you deal with and Ray, and thing and whatever, she posts him up and thing, you want to go pepper and whatever. You have some woman who say, no, you're mad. That can't work with him. No, do that. You're going to mash up my business. Or, no, do that. Him is a madman. Anyway, you go do that and go violate them here with him, baby mother. I kill him when the man come kill me. Or, no, he not done right, this or whatever. So she don't calculate that. So what me I say is, him, I flow with her in a certain way where she feel comfortable to do that. Him, I tell her certain things about you. Where she feel comfortable for come disrespect you them way there. And you have to understand that.
I don't like that.
Me not tell you that for mashing up, Me just tell you that because you call your big brother Ragashanti, right, And me a reason with you and I tell
with my ex.
yeah, that's why me a reason with you and I talk to you about because you see when you have some man when them a govern them thing, and even if them out a road, and a woman a catch feelings with you. A man who know the road code, you see the minute that woman that catch feelings with you and test you about your woman where you have or your baby mother or your wife or your woman where you live with a yard or your street. You see your woman, you have some man say, yo, where you do? No goddess so. No goddess so again, no goddess so. But then why you disrespect my baby mother, you have some man with us upfront with that, Or if the woman will go a certain way, straight cut off right away and she get the message. Don't go there, sir. So him a roll with her in some way where she knows that she could have got there sir, with you.
Him claim the same cut her off now. So him say.
No, me not tell you, say, if not go say no, because me not there for match, me not judge him. And me and your reason, so me I tell you right now how man think I know them juggle with them something, right?
I believe that though.
All right, now say a word, man. Go and balance your thing here.
Yeah.
Love and blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, what a thingy. Him there go on with him thing or whatever, Ray. But you see, she boss him and thing, she teach him the things them and sit the door. All right, listen, everybody who is here listening this live, and if you're not following me, follow me right now, right? Follow, wait, 37, well, it just reached 37,000, all right? So follow me right now, right? Follow me right now. Follow me. If you watch Ragashanti right now and you not follow me right now and share the live too. Share the live. Me about probably like the next 20 minutes here or so or whatever. Share the live and follow me. All right? Bombard people, man. All right, let me see. Follow me right now. Okay, let me go on sometime. Follow me. Again, if you are watching me right now, you know, follow me right now. What I want to know, good night. I follow you from my bike pan your life. Bike. What first lady say? Bike. Came about say a long time me I look for you. And from school days me I listen to you. Big up yourself, Kimmy Boo. Sweet, say you are loved, Raga. Oh, thank you. That is so sweet of you. All right. First lady means a book pan your live. Okay. Yannick Brown say, Raga, you come back tomorrow? Yes, darling, I'll be back tomorrow. Okay. Fresh Prince of Raga do our next 90 minutes cause I just reach home from work. Sonia. Kristen say, I just put a face to the voice. Okay. All right. You see some pop down. Yeah, man. I mean, you're early. I mean, a big nose Raga down. Right here. Okay. Christian, you're looking good on my TV. My TV broke up. You know, some ugly and pop down. Roxy, me too, Raga. I'm listening you from school days. Rubicon Raga. What I want to good as for them. You know how we miss you. One Raga Nikipu said never to. Where the tambourine? Raga from where far where I come from, you know, from radio days. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Lee Chill Z, Raga, I have a mix-up for you, but me shame about it. Oh God, Lee Chill, call in. Me that bring you in right now. Alright? Come on now, Lee Chill. Come on. We need Raga Biggie still the boat. Yeah, man, Biggie still the boat, man. Me can't give no details, but just know say Biggie they are firing up here. That's all you need for know. Biggie they are firing up here. Tune in every morning to me like Ragashanti, that a Cartel's line from him song. Raga, you need to upload some new videos of the old shows on YouTube. They're there. The old show them there. They're over TamFam TV on YouTube. TamFam TV on YouTube. Me name know you there about on TikTok. Go and do your thing, Raga. Sansa, good finding you back from radio days. Okay, Tina said me have a mix up for the people, but not tonight. Chris said, lady come talk your mix up. She refer to the person who said she. Monique said, Raga, me only see you from primary school days and I used to get beaten. Nisha said, oh, she used to dip and pause when Raga come on. Fluffy said, Raga, I'm glad you're here. All right, then just make sure someone follow me right and now. I could see we juggle for your next 20 minutes or half or so and thing like that, all right? Go see how it go. Hello? Hello? All right, sometimes the people them wait long and them check out, you know? So all right, I'm going to try somebody else. Whole heap of people there, I'm not worrying myself. Scorpio Q said, Raga, give it 2 hours
There is
more.
Jamaica Friday, but you know me have to clear your walk again. So, Saturday, Sunday.
Hello? Hello?
Me call you, man.
Hello?
I found one day, you know, see that, what day I mean your name did it?
Yeah.
And the man, they lying upon you, all pure car, dirt. Your name is on for backlash sitting there, son. Your name there, and me a pray.
What she came around there.
Me a pray for your father come.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Raga, sorry. Me
Well,
never know somebody.
you want so wait, which man that you line up Saturday Sunday? Eh? Which man that you line up Saturday? We don't hear already. You can't go around it. You can't go around the thing. We don't hear about it. They say you're gonna meet such man Saturday Sunday. Saturday Sunday and such man Ali. Where they are fast long time. Where they are fast in your business long time. Where they are fast in your business. And you are such man are gonna link Saturday Sunday. And one whole heap of box over there, so and thing I go move and ray. What go on?
I never know what say to get accepted. Sorry.
The whole of it they are listen your business and thing. You whole of it they are a cock with ears and I listen all of your business.
Well, I want to know cock on the ears, mix up with me have.
Send on.
So, me live at St. Mary, Raga.
Yeah.
I meet one man one time saying come from St. Thomas. So, I decide, say, you know, me and my talk, and we decided, say, me I go link him to St. Thomas. So, I take taxi, that time I drive, I take taxi from St. Mary and go to St. Thomas. When I reach, because I did ask him if he have a woman, you know, And him tell me, say, man, him baby mother left. But she live at St. Thomas, though. But my name business, they come here. I say, me a bad girl, me can't defend myself.
You're a bad girl, you
So,
can't defend yourself. Yeah.
yeah. So me
Yeah.
a go same way. Anyway, go and reach in at the house. When I reach in at the house, you have a front door, and when you pull the front door, you're in at the one little living room. But in at the living room, there is a settee. But the settee back there to one window. You know the window they will open outside. Like if you open it, it have to go out.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. So the settee there right there, so you're back. When you sit down on the settee, you're back there to the window.
To the window what warm outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember say, me don't know the place in our first, me I go. So I walk in and sit down and open the door, let me in. I walk in, sit down at the settee.
So you
Like,
sit down in the settee with the window what warm out the back of you.
Yeah, the window ain't open, the window lock. But when me ain't know, say, you know, open outside, me just see a window.
Right.
I tell you all the story.
Yeah.
So, Raga, me sit down at the settee, and by the time I sit down and lock my foot, me hear, knock, boom, 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 on the door. So, me say to him, me and him, I make force, so me say, oh, that.
Yeah.
So, by the time I say, oh, that, me get the door, boom, 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 and he move off. You got open the door. You see when he reach in front of the door,
Yeah.
the door is drop off in front of him. And I see one big neck.
Well on. What you say when you go to the door just, what you mean?
The door just drop off in front of him.
The door just drop boof in front of him, sir?
Yes, and I say, the woman, big neck, big back woman just come in. Raga me a bad girl, you know.
One big neck,
But when me
big
see
back
the
woman come in. Yeah.
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 And I say me bad, but when me see the woman come in before me could have react, Raga.
Yeah.
The woman come over to me and draw me up in her ear, and by the time if I retaliate, out a door me there on one stone through the window.
No, murder.
Say, Raga?
No, well, man. If I laugh and poop, listen, what you say a while ago, what you say you're a bad girl can't defend
Me
yourself.
say me a bad girl, me can't defend myself, and the woman just drape me up, just lift me up, and when me look out at the door, me there, me say, Raga, the only stone in the backyard that hit me drop on. Hit me drop on, me say, me couldn't move. And Raga, me get out there trying to take out myself. When me look at the man, me see up in the ear I come to. Stop! Me say, Raga, the man drop beside me. Me see when me see him drop beside me, Raga. Me say me no know St. Thomas. My slippers left in the house. Me say me take down the heel cause me say, Raga, I want man buy me one slippers in my town. No. I'm not even get to get the money from the man. Me say, Raga, I beg ride from St. Thomas come back to St. Mary. Raga, you know the bone where in a middle of your bottom there, sir. And that me drop on the Raga, I will never forget it. Every time you mix up them, you say me one call in and tell this. Because I go through it. I know me not get to raise me hand to the woman.
No, me a dead.
Me say, me run and chip up. I need to get away from this. Raga, from that, not take them to travel, go look for nobody. Me? Man. Say, the woman not lick me, I know, you know. The woman just ease me through the window, you know. They are 5'2", you know, Raga, me short, you know. Me not hard to really lift up. But me never expect that, Raga. Up to today, day, me the bone still at me now and then. And me talk about couple years well ago.
Yeah, and I know the bone at you know.
I know the bone at me now and then. If me do certain things, me feel the bone still tender.
No.
Raga, the woman beat me, say the woman beat me. I say, well, this a man I do this a woman, man. That's why you see sometimes when you see some man or some woman there with nobody there with them, look on then tears in a woman, but we never know the woman.
Yeah. Well,
We never know the woman, so to him look alright, me I say, you know. He say, Raga, don't get dollar. I beg ride.
well,
Come back and St.
so
Mary.
is that food you didn't go? You didn't get from
Oh, you
St.
mean
Mary
I
go
broke,
center?
Raga?
I broke and go for your money down.
Raga, me carry one little bag to spend the weekend. Me never see back that the bag from that.
But when you say it look like she did a time pedal here and what you do.
Me say by the time I reach, like the woman sit down somewhere and see. I see when me reach.
Yeah, the woman know because when you go in and after you sit down there, you boom, 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 boom on the door and you say, who
Yeah,
that?
and the door clearly never good, Raga, because by the time the woman knock 2 times, the door drop off half of the inches. You stay there.
So the door drop and you say a bad girl can't defend yourself, but before you could have even process anything, all you
couldn't
could have
process
feel up
anything,
is
yeah.
that you feel so the woman lift you up and all you know is that you gone through the window down and you drop.
And I don't want low fall, you know.
And I want
The window high when me look up and see. So when the man a come and me look up, how far the man a come from.
well, so you say a one big stone at the back of the yard and you just happen to go jump on a one and I eat your go. And you say when you did a nurse your pain and your wound.
And the man me see up in the ear a come.
I even that I come join you on the rock. No.
Raga, me not even wait. You see, from me say him drop. I don't the goal me try to move because I can't make that woman they come round this up and hold me back. I could not tell a story now. Could not tell a story.
So when you say, for you see him a flyer come through. For you see him,
take what me
so
say.
you say, for you see him a flyer come through the window too, and you say, wait, I so far the window.
Yeah, because the man, I don't want little man, you know. The man look like he should have defended, you know. The man have body, you know. And he ain't take the woman nothing. To lift him up and fling through with that thing. No, but me not even know what conspire after me drop through the window. Me just know, say, me see him a come. Okay. It's a wicked world we know.
So you say from him drop on the rock with you. I'm on the rock. The rock is higher than I. Jehovah guide
the
me.
devil so strong. The man not drop on the rock, the man drop on dirt. And me drop on the one rock.
You drop on the rock with your little body self down. And
Me say,
so you say,
Raga.
for you see the man come through the window, the same window where you get through.
me know me have to take what myself.
You take what yourself right away.
You know, say a bad woman,
A
Raga.
bad girl that man, a bad girl that man. So you say when you see him a come through the window too, you know wait for the explanation or nothing. You
No,
know.
sir, if one in my body kill me, I have to move same way.
So what you say?
Because I don't know if the woman are going to walk round and come round. I don't know.
And come finish you off.
You say me have to take, I'm there so far from me yard, Raga, I'm not even tell nobody where me I go.
Yeah. So what you say? So you say you have to take it to a gully, don't?
I don't want gully, the back part of the house don't want gully, so I don't want gully. Me go and me end up back for a little road and me follow it.
And follow it.
And the man see me, and he telling me story.
Yeah.
And the man say, lady, you better go on back to your yard there.
Yeah.
Because this not sound safe.
Yeah,
so
it not sound
left there because he couldn't help me.
He couldn't help you with no money or nothing, so what you do after that?
Yeah.
Eh?
I go up the road and see a taxi and I start telling next. We need to tell the taxi man what happened. The taxi man see me disheveled.
Yeah.
And barefoot. And I start relate to him.
So then when you just sit down, man, you never did hammer on your shoes. So you reach out to your shoes now, your slippers.
No, because I'm going and take off my slippers and cock up.
You
sit down and cock up.
And cock up, though. You take off slippers and go in and cock up and cut 10 per couch, no.
Yeah,
on
man,
settee.
cock up and feel comfortable.
Yeah, so when you
So,
throw you out
me
and
never have no slippers.
you never have
Me
on
not
a
tell us all the bag when me can't stay the weekend, me not see back the
ah,
bag.
you know, see back that bag there and a little
Me go
bag there.
toiletries.
Yeah, have you look at extra panty them and all them something there in it and all them some so all the bag there, you know, see back that bag there and thing and whatever.
No, sir.
And you
Raga,
don't you
if and that any man me meet and he saying come from St. Thomas, not another word me
done
no
with
want
that,
with.
not another word. You know,
Not another word.
you know, go back and no say Thomas no man. No, let me tell you something. You ever hear people say them laugh and them belly? A while ago, me a laugh and my belly a hurt me, you know. Me I tell you the muscle in my contract and thing me in a pain a while ago the way they laugh connect, you know.
Raga, me can't laugh, no.
Me I
But
tell
when it happen, and it take me years to talk and tell nobody to me shame.
yeah.
Because me can't, me as my mouth loud and me go like everybody know.
Yeah.
So me can't come back and talk what happened to me.
Yeah.
And years it take me to share it with anybody.
Yeah, because
And
you sound
everybody me tell laugh. But it never funny when it happened to me.
yeah. John,
Funny
no.
now.
It's funny now because you sound like one of them women they know who have certain which man could have tried that with me or which girl could have come this and that with me and for
They
see
know
that
some
reach
mistake.
you. I saw you stay down and then that reach you down.
Me dark like me can't read. Me to oh me you stay. And me always go like my body.
No, but you know where you have me first and when you say Raga, me a right? Sorry. And when you say Raga, me a bad girl, you know, me can't defend myself, you know. But the way when me see the big neck, big back woman come in, you know, and before me realize what the woman just have me in the ear and I through the window, me gonna end up on the one rock with the back of the house. And then you say, when you jump on the rock.
And the man me see a
And
come.
you must say, that what really happened to me? And the man you see I come through the window.
I got man say, I want to pass short here, this is just one of them.
Alright. Yeah,
This is
man.
just one of them. One next night, me call you again and share
Yeah,
something
man.
else.
Alright. Yeah, man. You're going to leave now, but your new name for that show, you know. A new name, Pandy Rock. Yeah? Your... Yo. So, everybody in the chat, right I know, me want to say, big up yourself, Pandy Rock. Respect
I say
Pandy
a
Rock.
word, I will take
Well, I
it.
don't
That's
leave
me
yet.
and a nickname, you know.
No, well,
So me take that.
Me see a thing, it's a KRC shipping services, but everybody on a big her up right now, say big up yourself, Pandy Rock. Respect
Let's say
Pandy
a
Rock.
word. Let's say a
Ratings,
word.
Pandy
One
Rock.
love. Let's say
All right,
party.
bless up. Your blessings. Yeah,
All right.
cool. Yo, people that bad, on a big up Pandy Rock right now. Everybody me want to big up Pandy Rock. I fear I name that now. Pandy Rock, she name. People, mix up that bad. People, you see why I love this. You see why I do this for decades, I think. You know see why I do this with that. No, sir, TikTok nice, man. I lie. TikTok festive bad. Me love over here. Me love over here. Big up TikTok. No. TikTok festive bad. Me love over here. Me love the energy. Me love the vibes. I got wait the hold on. 1 second.
Father,
What's up, son?
I just wanted to tell you good night.
Oh, you're telling me good night before you go to bed?
Yeah.
Yo, that's really cool, man. Appreciate that. Okay, were you good today?
Yeah.
And were you good at school today?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you psyched about spending some time with your brother for his birthday this weekend? Huh? Okay, I'm looking forward to it too. Okay, but Daddy's doing a show right now, here.
Wait, where are we going?
No, I can't tell you, bro. It's a surprise.
No.
Yes, it's a surprise. Well, it's really
It's a surprise for him, not a surprise for me.
Yeah, but you know, you my son too, so it's a surprise for you too. So you're gonna be excited about it too.
No, it has to be a surprise for him because it's his birthday.
Bro, I can't tell you. Okay, I tell you what, tomorrow I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint tomorrow, okay? How about that?
Okay.
All right, deal? I'll give you a hint tomorrow. Okay. So what you gonna do now? You're gonna brush your teeth and go to your bed now, correct?
Oh no. You just let me say goodnight to you.
Okay, that's cool. Kind of past your bedtime, I think. All right,
Oh, and
but
also my bedtime is now 8:30.
yeah, and what time it is now? It's like minutes to 10 now, dude. All right, you know what? Tell you what, I will talk to you tomorrow here because Daddy's doing a show now, okay?
Okay, but my bedtime is 8:30 because we finished all our tests.
All right, Papito.
Bye-bye.
All right, blessings. Yeah. First band that, first he come give me a yell and thing, say my tell me good night and thing and whatever. You know it go. If I'm a debut and then call me, I care what I do, I answer them, because I never grow with no father, I don't know that go down. So, back to Panderat, man. Back to Panderat. No, people. Yo, she take a night. Panderat say, Raga, me a bad girl, But when me see the big back woman come in and buy me, it's like she has to buy, she even figure out how I go and the woman just lift her up, and she just fling her right through the window, He want me window and thing and she land pan, she say, one rock in the back of her yard, Another rock that she go land pan, Oh, God. You understand? And then when she did that match out and she said, oh, I go and she in a pain and she could have seen the man come through the window too. I think my girl said she just take herself through the gully, I think. No, I want the billiards. No, I want to have me going. Hey, everybody on 1,400 people. Yeah, man, and then mix up. And when it reach 1,400 people, is when it reach 1,400 people, I don't even see what I go on. And when it reach 1,400 people, John. Anyway, big up on the rock. Everybody again, big up on the rock, right? Big up Rocky. We can call her Rocky, yeah. Or Rockisha. Yeah. Big up on the rock. All right? Rockisha. All right. Boy, so CBS reminds me of a time my cousin had to come rescue me with a machine. Lord Jesus. No fun. See it there? You see her there? She named KRC Shipping Services. That is Panderak right there. So you see, she said big up to everyone. See her right there, so. All right? Ratings to her. Everybody, 1,400 and one of this. Everybody who not follow me right now. Make sure say you follow me right now. Make sure say you follow me right now. Right? So anybody who you there so, you watch me and follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Follow me right now. Follow me right now. Again, if you watch me right, you say you not start follow me yet. Follow me right this minute. That's the only thing I got bother on the phone. I know what's up on TikTok people bother people for all kind of something. Man, not depend on something. I believe in them something that them bother people for me, not depend that, But I want to build a thing over here with a virtual community. Right? See, good. I love how not. Yes, when I follow me then. Yeah. I want to big up KRC Shipping Services. I see that. Give her some love. Give her some love because she shelled down the thing a while ago. Give her some love, people. Give her some love. Yeah. And again, if you're watching me right now, you're not following me, make sure say you follow me. See, somebody said, Fresh Prince said, one pound the rock, never two. Oh, you mean? No, sir. I mix up the sick. Bad like yours, man. Bad like you say that Jamaica, bad like 10 fireside. Oh, you mean? Pound the rock. Raga love you and rate you, yeah? Bless. Cassie Pasha. Next call, Raga. People who don't do that. Nothing about me, Nothing about me. But anybody can tell, Men are like when people come over. Sashana Grant, you are put next caller, somebody else but next caller. Nobody tell me when to compete people. Because me we just not take no call just to spite, Men are like it. Don't tell me what to do. It's me run my show. I'm a pet peeve. It's a little thing with me. Do not give me no directions about when me supposed to take call or anything. I don't like it. I don't like it. Nobody come over here and come tell me when to take call or what me supposed to do. A decades me I do this. Right? Yes. It's a little pet peeve with me. It's one of them Nothing no bother me. People style me, class me, call me all kind of thing. I don't even care. The worst thing you can do is me I run a show and you give me directions and I tell me say when to take call or when to cut off call or whatever. I understand it. It's feedback. But me not come over here for beg friend. I will block you. Alright? Do not give me no directions, but don't tell me how to run my show. I mean run my show. Alright then. Yeah. Me no want nobody give me no directions. Okay. Cause me would just check it. Anybody who know me, you know, the people pass them place with me just stop take call and just chat out the whole I think I done the show. Alright? Don't do it. Alright, let me see what I go on here so now. Boop, 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 boop. Pandy Rock, aka Rocky, aka Rockisha. No, sir. That mix up there. Alright, that person then come in, so let me bring in somebody else. See who can come in and all. Yeah, tiny people. Right, him and me glass crack. How are? Oh, hello. 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 See, me I hear the person and them not talk. Alright, I forgot to somebody else. You know, so sometimes the people them come in, but you know, through them I wait. I forgot to somebody else. Okay, remember if you watch right, you know you not follow me at start. Make sure so you follow me now. Alright? Hello. 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 Shelly. Shelly. Somebody there, you know. Hello. Alright, next person. You know, when them wait for a while, you know. Hello? For 10 million people there, do well, as much as me, I say, alright, let's go through them. Hello? Hello, good night. Good night. Alright. Nah, I get nobody this. Next. Oops.
Raga,
Greetings. Yeah, greetings.
good night.
Good night.
Why that freeze?
Why freeze? Nothing not freezing. I hear, you know, don't.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, man, me I hear you, man. If you talk. Don't watch the screen when you talk, yeah?
I don't know why it a freeze. It a freeze. It a freeze.
That has something to do with your bandwidth, darling, and your internet very often, you know? But it's not freezing over here. People who are watching,
Probably.
it not freeze for we, yeah?
Oh. Yeah, me I hear you now.
Yeah.
The how I mix up for you.
Talk to me. But yeah, well, you're in front
Me
of
I
your
want
fan
Rasta,
here.
man.
Hold
Alright, man,
on. You hear me?
Yeah, let me turn off you.
No, turn on.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man, me I hear you clear.
yeah, and don't and move from in front of your fan. Yeah, when your fan a turn, right here in the phone. Yeah.
Me turn it off.
All right then, and just if mosquito bite you, just go and hold bite them until you finish. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man. All right, talk.
Me I tell you now, Sir Raga, when I'm much younger.
Yeah. You have to go talk up
I
faster
want Rasta
doing.
man when me that talk to.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I talk about fact. Like I say, man, what someone me that talk to one man in get up and say, make a call.
Eh.
But me never know say baby mother in call and give me phone for talk to. I say, Raga, me and the man in the house, and when me hear hello at the door,
No, hold on. One man
the
in
woman come and tear down the door.
and yeah, I want him.
After she tear down the door, no Raga, the man push me out the door and lock the door. Push me out to the woman.
Hold on.
I say, Raga, the woman come with piece of board. The woman nearly kill me with lick. I guess what happened now, I'm naked, you know. I'm just in my panty and brassiere.
Right.
I said, I said, I said, lick your fat, Raga. But you don't know what happened when me turn around and look for him, man. Raga, guess where man there?
Where?
In a house and die bed.
But how this one sound
Man
look
afraid of woman.
nah, well something that sort of make sense, you know. Well on, the mix up sounds similar
Yes,
to what.
Raga, he make
Well
a
on,
way
man.
for sense. He must get what happened.
Well on. Something I distract you. You listen to something else and I watch something else, okay? Yeah, okay? You keep on and listen and I watch something else, okay? So you're not flow. That I want. Two, you
Me,
mix up
me,
sound similar to Pandy
me
Rocks.
nah listen nothing. Me
Yeah,
nah
what me I
listen
say
nothing,
no
Raga.
man. Yeah, man, you something that distract you because you
Brother,
talk and
that's
a
why me have
stop. You talk and a stop and then you come back in and that cool up a thing. But what me I say is, what you say that makes sense. If the man there with you and him baby mother come and whatever, why would I push you outside and lock the door?
because guess what happened on the Raga? I get to you know, say girl a bad girl. To me, he wants it to we fight to see who bad.
So a man
But
who
in
you
the
there with and
meantime,
a
he afraid
sleep
of the
with and
girl.
whatever, and you're in
He
your
afraid of
pack.
the girl.
You in your panty and your brassiere and you say I'm afraid of the girl where him push you out and lock the door and gone under in bed.
And go under the bed.
But all you know say him they go under the bed if you get locked out. Eh?
Me not hear that one, the Raga. That, what you say now? Because I not hear what
All
you
you
say.
know say him did go under the bed if you did get locked out.
Then Raga, hold on, you know me I tell you say, you don't know say,
Hello? 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 It look like that get cut off a while ago, you know. It look like that get cut off a while ago. We have to take our next car. Hello? Hello? Jano. Hello? Oh, I try to get some other. Hello? 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 Carla? Hello? Carla? Hello? Yeah, somebody did it. You know, people them a call in, but then when you bring them in, them not answer. Hello? Hello? All right. Person did it and not answer. I forgot to somebody else. Try this person here. Skibidi boop 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 boop. Hello? Hello? So the person I listen, so you hear my voice. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hello? Hi, is it me? Yes, it's you, but you're on speakerphone, earpiece, or Bluetooth. One of those. You have to come. Yes, I'm driving. Oh, but your voice low, bad doing. You're. Okay, I'll try another time. I had a mix-up, but I'll call another time. All right, yeah, man, because we're not really here good. Short, we're back here. Aye. Yeah, man, cool. Boom, 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 boom. I'm like, is it me? I'm not even on TikTok.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Wagwan.
Hi, Raga. Wagwan.
You know, some of day I give thanks and thing, feeling blessed and highly favored. You know the drill, don't? What's up?
Yeah, man. All right, so I want a story.
Say now.
Let me see if I can remember all of it, all right? So,
Yeah.
Raga, may I tell us, me in a 7th grade, right?
Yeah.
And we did have this little boyfriend, but in high school, I like a play boyfriend. So, we ain't nothing serious. Nothing on time, not sexual, nothing. You know, we just have a little company.
Right.
We did have this little best friend.
Yeah.
You don't know, so the girl did ready. I have bad man, so me have a little boyfriend. You know. So anyways, now, couple years pass and me and him stop talking and thing. And when me look, the girl and the man there.
Couple years pass.
Like, couple months, maybe a year
All right,
or two.
hold on. You have something where I loop your voice. Yeah. Are you listening to the show on something, or are you on something I loop your voice here?
Okay,
You have
I'm not
something?
sure if I because me up on the live, I watch the live and I
No,
respond to the
okay.
same time.
Yeah, so you just turn it down. Just turn off the sound.
Alright, let me turn it down.
Yeah, turn it down. So we're doing.
Me sound better now?
Yeah, we are. Yeah, so we're not hear you
No,
back off of the
me
line.
no lie, me tell the honest truth. Alright, so Raga now, me go tell you now, right?
Yeah,
So me in a 7th grade,
yeah,
me and this youth a talk.
yeah.
And I'm obey. So me I tell her say, me and him stop deal and everything.
Uh-huh.
Me have the little best friend and thing. Me think say me and her went close and everything. When me look now a couple months after, probably like in a 8th grade, me realize say, she a linger around the youth. Big break up, me realize say the girl and the man there, the boy there. But me say, what is Jesus? That the time they were we are part of one big friend group and everything. Everybody laugh for me and I say, you know what? The girl take me man at the time there and nothing goes because we weren't serious because me a little pitney the time there.
Yeah, 7th grade. Like you said, it was your play boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm a little play boyfriend. We not do
Dolly
nothing
house
long time,
boyfriend,
nothing
yeah.
sexual or nothing.
Right.
So I say, alright then. Me leave her alone, me avoid her, cut her off and thing. Make sure she go and live her best life because she did well one the man she did dead fame. Alright, cool. So me say no. I think we were in the 9th grade at that time and we have like the school fun there. So she always usually whisper to me and tell me that she have one next man. So me I say, look at it. You ready, Wifey? Feel me man at that time, you know. And then now you go take up for yourself now, you know. Go and get her next man. So she said the next man, you know, I go come at this school, you know. The same day with fear boyfriend. Did I? Rihanna, yes, both 9th grade, yes. So Rihanna fall a little bit and say, you know what? Let me go ahead and follow her. Because she say, you know, you have an umbrella, so follow me go meet him. So me go to the door. By the time that we have the event at my school, so me follow her outside. By the time that the youth have the long time Corolla there. And a long time beat out Corolla there, Rihanna fall and thing.
Right.
So me and her hug up together. You know, come and see where they go on. And me follow her out. Girl, I knock on window. Man, nah answer, you know. If he come to you, what make you not answer?
Right.
So we stand up there a few minutes. Girl, go on the next side. I
Yeah.
knock on window again.
Yeah.
When I look, Raga, no the man in the car with next school girl. Raga. So no bun the girl I get while she a give on. Uniform, zip down, everything. Me say me laugh, me just walk with left her. I laugh to tell because guess what? You the run down to take people, man, and next girl I take fear, man.
Okay, so when she has saw that I
So
reach
the
her.
same thing what she a throw,
Yeah.
are the same thing she a get. But yes, born for born. So it's just a funny story I'm just sharing with you to say. She will hate me on the back end or envy me on the back end, but guess what? At the end of the day, she get back a same dosage where she went again. That's all.
Yeah, the same thing where she had dish and think she get it back to her and thing.
Yes,
Well,
that's it.
yeah, man, bless up yourself for share that with her. You said this is happening in a Montego Bay, right?
Yes, sir.
Moby and thing. Big up all Moby linky out there and everything is everything. And bless up yourself. Thanks for sharing that, all right?
All right, big up. Yeah.
Yeah, man, protection, man. Cool. All right, people, may I tell you, you know, we in a, remember I say a long time we do this, you know? So, sometimes when you hear a shell down mix up, it's kind of like anything will come after. It, you know, it have a kind of, in a phone of mine, it have a, at least they're near to one already here. It's like if you have a group of, if you have a stage show and you have somebody to close the show, but somebody earlier shell down the show and whatever, and then, you know, anybody will come after, and you and them not keep up that pace there, the dog name them supper. All right, so just balance with the thing, right? You know, just listen to Master Raga. Long time me I do this, I know what I go on. Balance on yourself and relax, all right? Don't get too antsy. Good night. Good. What a name this person you have? Hello? A person answer. I could bring in somebody, a person named Keisha. Any woman, them, yo, you have no people out there, you know, them afraid that any woman when named Keisha, you know. Hello? 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 People them coming in here, but it's like them not talk. Hello? 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 I'm bringing somebody else. But just I go down the line. Hello?
Good evening, Ragashanti.
Good evening, Wagwan.
I'm doing fine. I just want to tell you hi. I'm watching you ever since 2009 when I
Long
was in
time.
Jamaica. Yeah, from crisscross days. And you're up on the radio, you shell on the radio, you come back on TikTok and you shell on TikTok. I'm love it.
All right, give
Yeah,
thanks.
I love it. And big up spoilers. You know my brother Jagger. You
Oh,
know Teacher Lodge. You know the whole of the massive them as
no, they don't
spoilers.
know teacher laws, man. So me and Dexter
Right.
go school together, man. Same class and thing.
Exactly.
Them time they will know him as
You
Danny
always a big
Palmer.
them up.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
you
Oh, you
always a
mean,
big them
man?
up.
Big up teacher lads.
So,
Big up Danny Palmer,
anyway,
man.
cause him have a brother-in-law. Him
Oh,
have a, him have get to give my sister youths.
okay.
I say him
See.
a ride and the whole of them grow.
Cool, no, man. That's a word, man. What go on with
Yes.
him? Everything balanced with him?
Yeah, man, him still as spoilers and a Jamaica and everything. Him good.
All right, yell him up for me, you know. Tell
Yeah,
him say
man, anytime.
Ragashanti. Well, him don't know me. Well, him know who Ragashanti is, but him know me as Kingsley, you know.
Listen, everybody know you.
Every all
Nobody
right.
can forget you.
All right. No, man, big and serious though, you know. Big him up for me, you know, because I'm a
I
dog,
will.
you know, Dexter, man. Saying, just tell him,
Yeah.
say, we not chat for years and thing, but make him know say ratings and respect like and seal same way saying and big up all spoilers massive and thing.
Yeah.
Wildman Street, large
Street,
up on
Tel
yourself.
Aviv,
Tel Aviv,
Southside,
Southside, James
you
Street,
know,
Sutton Street,
Rum
Summit Lane,
Lane,
Rum Lane, Gold
Beeside
Street,
Street, North
Ayuban
Street,
Street, North Street, Charles Street, oh,
you know,
Tex
all
Lane
massive,
massive and thing on a don't know.
Hanover Street,
Ratings lock and seal same way. Duke Street come right over. Hanover
yeah,
Street,
right
East
over.
Street, everything.
The
The
whole
whole of them come
Central
crackle.
Kingston.
Oh, you mean? You understand?
Yes,
Because you know, say that our place. Ayuban Street, when I left, you know,
yeah, that
Fleet
is it.
Street, Barry Street, and thing, Tel Aviv, original
That is
Chubby Dread massive,
it.
Pepsi massive, teacher laws, the whole world. Calabar Alley at
Somebody
school.
said St. Aloysius, Beckham Primary School, big up St.
Bah,
Aloysius.
bah, 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 bah. I have to big up St.
Big
Aloysius
up St. Yeah,
because
big up Holy Trinity,
well,
big
I
up
know,
KC.
made it in a George's, scout troop, you know, but we used to meet at St. Aloysius. No, we used to meet at
Yeah.
George's. We did there beside St. Aloysius and thing, out at Duke's,
Right, because
wait,
you know the whole Catholic and stuff like that, we always a link
yeah,
up.
man, I say a word, man. The whole of Central Kingston, and I don't know. You see, but bless up yourself to you, know, Queen, all right?
Yeah, my
Love
Ragashanti,
and
take
blessings,
care.
man. It
You
goes
look,
so.
yeah, you look so beautiful. You look handsome. You're
Why,
not
thank you,
aging.
darling. That's really,
You're
really
not
nice.
aging one
No,
bit.
my all and
You
pop
look
down now.
good.
My all and pop down now. But
No, you look good
I
and your voice not change. And you're still hyperactive. You still have the energy.
give thanks.
You look
Blessings,
good.
man. Blessings, man. Thank you. Here? All right,
All
cool,
right,
cool.
bye-bye.
Blessings, man. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, you don't know. One Southside now left no deal anywhere you're there. Clover the 5F crew and thing, you know, I don't know what we used to say. 5F crew. He did have several 5F crew all over Jamaica, but then when me there south, you know, it was all about Clover the 5F crew. And people forgive me, but that is what we were then. Just I tell you, find them, friend them, fool them, F them, and forget them. Those were my formative years. I do not think and behave like that anymore. I'm just telling you what the 5F mean. And just so you know, you did have a bunch of 5Fs all across Jamaica and thing. And them day it was all about dance and which 5F are the up the 5F, which 5F are the bad 5, and we say dance. Them time the dance I keep out of maritime. Dancing all I keep a Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center dance all about. And we say we are follow. Them time that we are follow, we sound them and all them something there with all about a dance, Duppy Gate and all them thing, the Metro Media and thing. Sky Juice anyway you're there, you know. All of my Southie people them and thing and I don't know. What that over this? And thing, bless upon yourself, teacher laws, Dexter. You don't know everything is everything in a Danny P. Rating same way, you know. I'm just want to big up my DJ, you know. Louis Culture. You know what I mean, alright? Don't say a word in a Louis Culture, the original Gangali. I was born to be free. I'm a young Gangali. I'm an old gangster lee. I'm an old gangster lee. And whoever eyes they will see. Bombard them days there. Big up all Southie. Yeah. Big up Blake Road, Cloverley Road, Widows Lane and thing. Yeah, large upon yourself. Anything off of East Queen Street, you don't know the levels. East Queen Street Baptist Church, I guess I'm going to get raised and thing. Big up everybody who used to go East Queen Street Baptist Church with me and thing, and Calabar all age, and of course Calabar I too. But big up the school them around that year that down there, so you understand, all the family. St. Aloysius, St. George's, Calabar, all age and all them school and thing, Trinity, I understand Alpha, KC, George's. When I know the levels and thing, respect concrete, lock and seal, same way. Don't, nah change, nah switch. Never. When I they have to please nobody, but just to make sure so we're happy and we take care of our responsibility. Because we not in the careless thing, them and thing. And anyway, there, we have to make sure who to eat from we, I go eat from we. Take care of our responsibilities and our obligations and things, and simultaneously have a whole lot of fun in life. So the thing said, laugh, learn, and grow. Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti ever said that. Nah switch, nah change. I remember take about 2 cards before my leg go and thing. Yo, and again, if you're there and you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow me, please. That's all me got bother on the father. Bomb about 180,000 likes. Anyway, I could see what I'm going here. All right. Let me take about a couple more of them. Hours are going on 90. I know me have some little thing. Yeah, see, there, if you don't know, follow me now. Follow me now, because I soon cut. All right? Somebody named Wifey for life. Mr. Marsha Johnson, Bricky ZP, Chiny Face, Kenisha Lewis. Yeah. Denny Star, good people. I try bringing some people and things, but you know I going off a patient over here with a TikTok something here. But I like TikTok festival here, you know. God. People, I've been doing live, you know, but most of the time over YouTube. Hello? A long time people are bad me say, Raga, come over TikTok. No man, come over TikTok and me a stubborn up with thing, you know. Striker, I lie. Striker, you that in the chat. Striker, big up yourself, people. See that person that named Sherry Hunter, original TamFam, you know, Tambourine family. Long time she a call Ragashanti and a turn up a thing. Sherry Hunter, but we call her Striker. You understand? She not left me out. Anyway, me there she find me. Striker, big up yourself, you know. You know, blessings and respect. All right, that person come in, but they not talk. All right, I'm going to bring in somebody else then. Well, try bringing somebody else before my Lego and things. See? Don P, big up. Hello, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Person not answer. Try somebody else. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Kayla or Shuma.
Hi, Raga.
Who is this? Kayla or Shuma?
Yes, this is Kayla.
All right, Kayla, Wagwan.
That Raga from Tambourine days. Pick up yourself.
All right, Wagwan. Where you link
Yeah,
from?
man. From my little girl, I used to hear my mother.
All right, blessings, man. So where you link from?
Belly from Jamaica.
Which part of
Waltham side.
Waltham side? Big up all Waltham linky and thing, you know. Big up yourself, man. Everything balance.
Yeah, man, thing balance, man.
All right. So where you saying I night?
I'm just I send love to all of the people out there and I say, you know, take care of yourselves and blessings.
See there, that's
and don't forget God.
Don't forget God. That's very nice of you, man. Thank you for that little blessing day 990. All right.
Alright, big up.
Safety and protection to you and yours. You know, everybody fear and thing. Bless up yourself, you know, more life and prosperity.
Yeah,
all right? Balance.
Yeah.
Cool. All righty. See if we can get at least one more card before we let go. And things. See? That was a night, you know, I have some things to go do anyway too, you know. Even though I when I stop work, you know. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, as my general. What go on?
You know, some man there, I give thanks. Everything balance up and set, you know? What you say?
Yeah, man, Raga, so I'm to second what coming.
Seki good, you know. She's still over there in a Brownstone, you know?
Yeah. Me have a mix-up one fresh last night. Last night it happened.
All right, talk right in the phone and send it on right away and give her the punchline them.
See, I know, say, this policeman, you know. Me and the woman that thinks. But he know, say, it's where I come from, one of them, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, I know, say, the daddy you tell me and him woman.
You and the policeman
No,
woman there
can't
hotel.
touch me, the one punch and me can't tire them, you know.
Oh, the policeman punch your car
And
tire.
I'm saying when I buy it back in a Raga.
A policeman punch your car tire because you're at the hotel with him, woman.
Yeah, man.
And you
See
say,
it on the camera, man.
and you see him on the camera punch your tire.
Yeah.
All right, don't listen to the show or watch the chat here.
Yeah, my fam.
All right, don't listen to the show. Me pick up when you're distracted. So you see him on the camera. I watch a punch your tire.
Yeah, because the manager for the hotel run back the camera, man.
Oh, the manager for the hotel. So what you do now? So how you move to him now and get him to buy back your tire then?
No, the woman, you know, the woman that buy it back, but him give the woman the money.
Wait. You a dagga the policeman woman in a hotel and thing, and you see him on video a punch your tire. And
Yeah, two of them in punch.
Two of them in punch. And him give her the money for buy back your tire.
Yeah, man, today I go buy it back.
Today you go buy it
back. The two of them.
So how you get the money so quick?
Yeah, now the girl, man, the girl can't come give me money. And mama said she want to ride back weekend again.
So so how you know she get the money from him? Oh, him gone. And people when on call in, don't pay attention to the chat and don't listen back on yourself to hear on yourself, all right? Just talk to me. When you're not done, you can't go back and look for all right? Because if you don't do that something there, you go kind of sound choppy when you not talk to me. Hello? 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 All right. Next guy. Hello?
Raga, I just want to say big up yourself from Tambourine days. Big up yourself, Ragashanti. We love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. And you look good in a real life because my kids and your kids are the same school. From see you and you do the damn thing. Big up yourself, Raga. Real father, top father. Look good, smell good, teeth clean, mouth fresh, tongue clean, tongue pink, tongue no white. Big up, Raga.
Big up Raga.
Take me off on the
All right, bless up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, and big up with school where you them go down. Even though them can be so regimented and militaristic sometimes, don't.
It's very annoying.
Yeah, it
but
annoying.
The kids them really
them learn though.
Yes.
Me not lie,
yes.
them learn.
Them learn and them focus.
Yeah.
And we know them all be great.
Yeah.
You understand? We can't see presidents, we can't see lawyers, our kids them go, yeah.
No, it's a trade-off, you know, because sometimes I reason with them mother and me I say, you know, sometimes I get a little frustrated the way them strict and pay attention to so much detail and kind of, you know, when they pin them rude, I would draw them up. But sometimes they make a big deal about certain little things.
Sometimes them too extra. But rather, I don't know if you remember me, you know, me in the office while they talked to Mr. Richards, you know. Remember, man? When they have a little blue
outfit, yes. Not say a word, man. Give thanks, man. See?
But big up yourself, because you don't know, say, no filter to your thing. Your teeth them clean for true, your skin clean for true. Raga big and nice. And
all right.
I know shake like no tambourine.
All right, blessings here. All right, then cool.
Take me off for this.
I will. Blessings. She's funny. Yeah. School strict, but me not lie. I see a difference. What go on there, sir? Oh, okay. All right, that let me see. What? Tina, what is that you post in the chat? Oh my God. What is wrong with you?
Yo, Ragashanti.
Yo, what I got on?
Big man, big up yourself, you know, man. A long time you taking your program from the radio station till now, bro.
See it there? See it there.
In a real life, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks.
Yeah,
See?
man. A long time I say, man, bless you up, you know, but you don't know more while miss the radio program them time there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I don't know, man.
You see it,
I
give
don't know a
thanks.
Alex from out of Clarendon same way, I yell you up same way,
See,
you
what
know.
the I name?
Alex, that a artist name, but
Ja
otherwise
Alex.
Kevin.
Otherwise, Kevin.
Yeah.
Ja Alex. Big up yourself in a family. All right?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Not say a word,
So
man.
why topic in a night, yeah?
Nah, not really a topic, you know. I just kind of come and free it up and people just calling. You know my thing set, you know. We can have a topic or we
For
can
real,
have a
for real,
topic.
for
You see
real.
it? You understand?
Yeah,
People
man.
just
Bless
call
up
in a
yourself,
whole of
man.
reasoning. Yeah, man. All right? Not say a word.
All right. Big up
Okay,
yourself.
cool. All right, people. Here we are going. You see this thing, I know. Let me see this thing. It's a 37,921. All right, make it reach 38,000 before me leave. Right? Follow me. If you're dip on the live and you're not follow me now. I want to see this thing I reach 38,000 before me leave. Remember, I'm telling you that that's the only thing I got on about, you know, right? Right? So if you're not following me, follow me right now. And you see that mix up there with Panda Rock? I cut it out and post it back for you, see? So when you have some mix up where kind of slap way and I go on with themselves, you know, I go, you know, download the show, cut out them mix up there and me post them back on the page for the enjoyment, all right? So just know some I go post back the Panda Rock mix up on my Ragashanti page over here on TikTok. So you can look out for that if you don't want that, all right? See it there on the app already. Yeah. Yeah, man, we are going to post back, man. The mix up the deserve to get back a highlight. You see it? All right? Let me say it now. So follow me. I need this thing to reach 38,000 before. I know it's not reach 38,000, but I just tell you, follow me. So what I say, I remember one show when Raga asked, out of pig and goat, which one's sexier? I mean, I remember that, but that sounds like something weird because you know I'm a little bit crazy, right? By choice. Yeah. All right, here we go. Yeah, I need this to reach 38,000 before I leave tonight, right? So the 37,962 and thing. Good night.
Raga.
What's up?
Well, go and Raga, big up yourself from Canada.
Proper. Which part of Canada?
Raga, why? Toronto. I remember coming to your show. I don't remember what year was it, but it was a New Year's party.
Oh, yeah, remember the party there when we did have a Canada. It did go on good too, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It turned up, man.
Yeah, they go on good too. Everybody did look good and the party did nice. DJ Chris Cross and the whole crew shell it down, you know?
The whole crew.
Yeah.
My big head friend Mark Thompson.
Mark Thompson, right.
You can't stand him in a Raga. I cuss him every day.
Him have a good heart, man. Him have a good heart.
I'm a big friend though. All
right, now say a word here.
But Raga, why you go like say you know Ghana more than me? See you go on yourself done in Ghana, the man.
No, I have a club. It's a TamFam travel club, and I carry people all over the world. And Ghana is my favorite place to carry people. And I've carried a couple groups over to Ghana. I love Ghana.
Yeah.
Ghana is just absolutely incredible and just really nice. And the connection with Jamaica and just so meaningful and substantively rich. That you know, so I love carrying Jamaicans there for them to appreciate Ghana, for them to appreciate Africa, for them to appreciate the history and the heritage where them never teach you in a school at Jamaica and things.
That is it.
Yeah, so we have to make the people them know. You understand?
Yeah, man, Raga. Me go to December in Raga. I was there in December. I love the place, man.
No, them said December. Them said the whole of December be a party and vibes in Ghana. I've never been there in December. But even the big celebrities, them love to go over there and thing or whatever, you know?
Yeah.
Right, my next
I was
trip...
over there when Spice was over there, but I didn't went to Spice show.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me have my next trip will come up in August, you know? So if anybody interested in that, you know, don't know, tamfamtravel.com. Just go over there. So tamfamtravel.com and you will see it, you know, the Ghana Learncation. That's what I call it, you know? All right?
Raga, big up yourself. Raga, you know, it's a long time I watch you, Raga.
For real.
From out of the days, me I watch you in a Raga.
Outada, what is that? Boy, them time they were misbehaving, man.
Yeah, them
Yeah.
Friday night was lit.
What? Outada, man, when there's something them attack up, man. Yeah. Mad something, you know?
God.
Anyway.
Raga, big up yourself when you come to Canada.
Me don't know yet. Me don't know yet. You know, probably when somebody hire me for host a show or something like so. Couple
Okay.
time I go up there quietly, you know, with some link
Oh.
and different business and friend and them something there. But them time there's some quiet thing. But if me have something, man, you don't know me, I gonna announce it and make people know. See?
Alright. Alright, Raga, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, love and blessings, man.
Alright, bye.
All right, then, cool. 37,992. All right, we need some more people. If you watch, follow me right. I know I met this thing at past 38,000, so I can leave. I know one thing. I'll be back tomorrow, people. All right, so I'll be back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow. See, we're going to get two more. In a matter of seconds, we're going to get two more. And thing. Good night, caller. See, the 38,000 will pass it. Hello?
Hello, Raga. Good night.
Good night. Good
How
night.
are you doing?
Boy, I'm good, you know. And you?
I'm good.
Blessings, man. Blessings. So what you up to in the night, yeah?
Not really.
Oh, you just have to say hello.
Yeah, what's your topic?
Oh, no, it wasn't a topic and thing. We did just a kickback and thing and whatever, all right?
Okay.
All right. Where you calling from?
Jamaica.
Where in Jamaica?
St. Elizabeth.
Where in Sante? South? Black River? Where?
Santa Cruz area.
Santa Cruz, Santa. You big up yourself, man, and blessings, all right?
All right, you big up yourself.
All right, thank you, darling. What's your name, if you don't mind me asking?
Natalie.
Natalie. And a fine-sounding Natalie you are. Respect and manners, okay?
Okay, Raga.
All right, then, blessings, man.
So you know, give me no coins?
Oh, you want me to give you coins?
Yes.
Why? Why?
That when me can send you some gifts.
Hold on. You want me to gift you with coins so you can send me gifts?
Yes, like you're getting some gifts on your live right now, some rose.
Right. So what I'm saying, I just want to be... Well, what you say your name again?
Thank you. At least you appreciate you send something for me already.
No, what your name? What you say your name? Natalie?
Yes.
All right, so Natalie, no, because sometimes I kind of slow and I just need... So you're asking me to give you some coins so that you can give me back some coins?
Me give you the coins in gifts.
That me say a while ago. So you want me to give you some coins?
You already give me them.
Me give you them?
I don't know who, but I just see some on my while I am talking to you.
No, but a while ago you asked me to give you some coins.
Well, me get it already, thanks.
Oh, are you fix up that quickie in Natalie?
Boy, yeah, move fast.
Me?
Thanks, Jordan.
Me I move fast with me I move fast with.
You call them and give me coins, man.
You you mean my listeners and viewers, they're giving you coins?
Yes.
Okay, all right then. Tell them thanks, tell them thanks.
Thank you, viewers.
All right, but me I go share something with you here.
Yeah.
Yeah, when me I do the show and whatever, you notice me don't ever bother people about coins. Me just tell them when them send it, I appreciate it because me use it and buy things for my kids. But, me not really, my show not really run so, so, I don't encourage people to call me just to ask me for coins, all right?
Okay.
All right? That is not
So
what my show is about, all right?
what your show is about?
Mix up on lifestyle, discussions about different aspects of lifestyle, culture and lifestyle.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, I always listen to you on the radio.
All right, Natalie.
So when you come into Jamaica?
I don't know yet, but when I'm gonna do so, I'll let you know, okay? And I'll definitely come over to St. Elizabeth, all right?
Yes. I will have some nice fruits for you.
Some fruits for me. I'm gonna hold you to
Yeah, and
that.
cassava.
And cassava, I'm gonna hold you to that, Natalie. You said you'll have some fruits for me and whatever. Do you live anywhere near South? Oh, well, no, you say you're there Santa, so you don't really have. I'm into seafood, so you're not really there the seafood part of Santa. You're there.
No.
All right, then. Okay, cool. But I'm gonna hold you to that. So when I come to Senti, you get some nice food to me, because one thing with Senti, particularly if it's mango time, you guys have some of the best mangoes in Jamaica.
Yes.
All right.
So I can look about some raw bean for you.
Some what?
Raw bean.
And people who don't know, she's talking about a particular mango, but if you come from Kingston on the other side, you're probably not going to know the mango there, but it come from the western side of Jamaica, and it is most known for being around Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. It's one of the sweetest mango you can have. Believe it or not, as little as Jamaica is, it's very regionalized with certain species of mango, right? In other words, there's some areas of Jamaica where you can only get certain types of mangoes. Why, I don't know. But one of them is, it's actually spelled robin, but people from St. Elizabeth, they pronounce it robin. So that is what she's referring to. All right?
Yes, thanks.
All
Yes,
right.
thank you, Raga.
All right then, Natalie. A pleasure speaking to you tonight. All right?
And the same to you. And thanks to your viewers for the coins.
You're most welcome, man. Big up yourself for your coins, Natalie. All right?
Thank you. And also you.
All right then. Cool. Take care now.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Yeah, man. Natalie, easy, All right, people, I eat that and think, bless upon yourself, We never planned to go so late tonight, but you don't know, we give thanks, All right, big up on the rock, as she take a show in the night and everything. Large upon yourself, Juggle back tomorrow. Probably start a little bit earlier tomorrow. Probably going to start around 6 o'clock, somewhere thereabouts tomorrow, all right? So make sure it's on the forward and look up, because by sometime a little bit before 6 or a little bit after 6, I will be here tomorrow. Take care of yourselves and think. And again, if you're here and you haven't followed me, make sure say you follow me right now before you go, before I sign off, all right? Follow me right now before you go, right? So let me go in a minute or two for follow me. Oh, somebody wanted I don't think TikTok like when you put numbers and websites in the chat. Okay, so I'm not going to do it, You don't know TikTok's trick with a whole heap of something over here and whatever, so me don't want to go offend them and thing, Island Peeps, large up, July 19, Shelton, Connecticut. Okay, yes, definitely, all right. July 19th, I'll be in Shelton, Connecticut, hosting an empowering event there for those of you who want to learn financial literacy, which is something that is not taught in our schools, unfortunately, neither in Jamaica or here. We don't learn those things, and that we should. And sometimes the thing that prevents us from learning those is just certain principles that are held and institutionalized, entrenched in our culture. So we're going to discuss some of those things, in a lively atmosphere, but empowering also in terms of the information that will be presented. And again, it's July 19th in Shelton, Connecticut. Your boy Ragashanti will be hosting that with a panel there, okay? So for those of you who are interested in that sort of thing, which you should. And thing, remember, if you know how to invest your money, you can make money. And there are lots of opportunities out there for investment, but people just don't know how, right? And then it is so vast and diverse that you can get overwhelmed with the options there, and then there's a particular language that's spoken in the investment world that you just need to understand all that you need to understand. You don't need to understand everything, but you just need to understand all that you need to understand. And this presentation will help in that regard, okay? So again, it's July 19th, Shelton, Connecticut. All right? Your boy Ragashanti will be hosting with the Earn Your Leisure team. And for those of you interested in it, I guarantee you'll learn a lot when you come to this event. All right? Big up on yourself, people. I am out. Sooner tomorrow. I just want to say blessings. The number was like 1,400 at some point. So big up on yourself, all right? All who run through and come through. ANC, big up. SDC, big up. Love and honor, all right? See you, sir.